Hello everyone, good morning and welcome for our weekend workshop. In this weekend workshop, these are the 2-day workshop. Okay, one day we will discuss the cloud computing. Second day means tomorrow we are discussing the Linux. Okay, means you all have to join for both the days. The intention is one day we will primarily discuss on the cloud computing. Second day Linux. Same link. It's a 11 a.m. IST. If you have the link, same link will be there for the tomorrow session as well. Is that okay? Yes, no? Just confirm me.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the weekend agenda for we have for the next 2 days. Cool. Let me come down. Okay. How many people already know us? Because that's a very important thing. The person you are listening, I am Vikas. Okay. If you are listening me, definitely I have to change my name as well. Why it's not showing? Why it's not came automatically? Vikas. Okay. Definitely, if you are talking with someone or you are discussing with someone, you have to be aware about them. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? So how many people already aware about Cloud DevOps Hub? Raise your hand or say yes, no. I will be very happy, guys, because I know so many people that know about me. Akshay, Harshita, cool, looks good. Purvika, looks good. Guys, thanks. Okay. This is Cloud DevOps Hub community. In this community, we have 53,000 members in our Facebook group. 53,000 cloud and DevOps engineers. Guys, do you feel that this is a big number? Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? We have 7,000 followers in our Instagram. What we are doing in Instagram? How come 7,000 members? Let me show you. Okay. Let me go to my Instagram. I'm going to my Instagram. Okay. In this Instagram, if you will see followers, 100 new students, 100 new likes and all these things came. Okay. If you will see my profile, okay. In this profile, 7,086 followers are there. We post 54 times and 7,000 followers make. Okay. In this, what exactly it is? We are teaching, we are providing you the information related to what exactly the DevOps and cloud is. Okay. Here, all the things, if you will see here, what is Jenkins pipeline? Yesterday only it has been uploaded and it get 20 likes. Okay. So you can see that we are creating a small rule because this is the trending part. Yes or no? Some students will be very comfortable or very confident if they will read this or they will listen this part. Are you agree with my point? This is the trending thing. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So we are providing this type of small reels, okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand and keep remember. Okay, because in the interview, definitely you have to, if your understanding is good, if you are able to give the definition, if you know the things, you know the concept, you will able to work or you will get a job. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes or no, please.
Agree.
Yes.
Right. So yes, that's why we are actively in our Instagram as well. Okay, we are providing the reels as well as what our students are learning, how many students are getting offers, Linux, Git, and so many things. It's just a start. Okay, it's not a full fledged. It's just a start. So we are on the Instagram as well. If you will come here, 8,000 members are in our WhatsApp community. You all came from the WhatsApp, right? My message came to you on the WhatsApp community, right? So 8,000 members are in our WhatsApp community. 1,000 members or 1,300 members or subscribers in our YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, what exactly we are doing? If you will go to my YouTube channel, this is the link. Okay, I will give you all the links. No need to worry. Okay, in this link, if you will see here, around 80 videos are there. This is long videos. Okay, in this 80 videos, 1,400 subscribers are there. What exactly we are uploading here? Whatever we are learning, okay, our classes recordings are uploading into this place, so you can have a look. Everywhere you will see the only one face, this face. Okay, you will not see any other face, and every video there will be a camera on and this is the face you will see. So you will get a very confident. I want you to spend some time on my YouTube channel. Is that okay?
Sir, can I told something?
Vineet, yeah, you can say, but it's not a time to say something. Let's listen me, then we will talk. Is that fine? Because if I will give opportunity to you, I have to give the opportunity to everyone. Okay, cool. It's a 80 videos are there. Just have a look. It will be very helpful. But the problem is, sir, from where I will get your Instagram link, from where I will get your YouTube link and so many things. No need to worry. just come to my website. The website is CloudDevOpsHub. If you will come little bit down, here my mobile number will be there. Very first thing, if you have any questions, feel free to message me anytime. 53,000 members in community. All the links are available into this place. If you will click on this place, join the community. This is a link tree. All the links will be visible here. Our website link, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, WhatsApp, everything. Okay. Our website, if you want, if anyone is not in our WhatsApp community, click here and join it. 54,000 Facebook group you want to join, just click here and join it. If you want to see the complete syllabus, how to become a DevOps engineer, how to become a cloud engineer, just click on this and you will get the information. 11 a.m. workshop, sometime you miss the link and something like that, just remember this part or remember my website. You will able to redirect to any of the place wherever you want to go. Here is the link for this 11 a.m. session. Regular sessions we are conducting at 8 a.m. IST. That is a 2.5 month journey. Okay, whatever you will learn in this is just a 2 days. But if you want to learn for the 2.5 months, this is the link. You can just click here and have a look. Most of the people will search me and my community will be on the Google for sure. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? So we are providing directly. You can click here. Okay. Sorry. You can click here, Google search. Okay. As soon as you will click here, whatever the Google is telling about us, everything is visible. Okay. 160 interaction happened in the yesterday, 15 Google reviews, 4.9 rating, address, mobile number, and so many things, whatever has supposed to be available on the Google, everything is there. Because if you want to search anyone, you will definitely go to Google. Are you agree? Yes or no? So I am giving you direct link. You can just in the Google, just type CloudDevOpsHub, you will get all the answers. Cool. This is just a very high level information about me. We created this community around 13 years back, and this is the result came at this point. What is the reason, sir, why you are creating this community, why you are combining everyone? Are you getting this question in your mind? Yes or no? Some student will think that, sir, why you are doing or why your team is doing all these things. This is the question in your mind? Yes or no? Please tell me. Guys, yes or no, please?
Yes.
Right? There should be some reason why you are doing all these things, why you are spending the time. Definitely there is a reason, because if you are alone, if you will learn the things by own, is that possible? If you face a problem, you will get an answer. In technical terms, you will not get an answer. Right? Let's assume you are planning to learn the cloud computing, you are planning to learn DevOps or cloud computing. Let's make it very simple. You are planning to learn any of the cloud. If you will get stuck, you don't have the answer, you are not able to find the answer, what you will do? You will skip that topic and you will say that cloud is very tough, DevOps is very tough, I'm not getting a job. Yes or no? Are you agree? Yes or no, please?
Yes, yes.
Biggest problem, right? If you are alone, because when we have to start our journey, when we want to learn something new, we will be alone. I will provide you the group. Which group, sir? Definitely, we are creating a small WhatsApp groups as well. If you will see my screen, okay, this is my WhatsApp. This is my community. Some HRs, some what we can say, my batches students are there. If you will come little bit down, let's see what happened in the today. Anything new message came? Yeah, this is today. Okay, in my this AWS plus DevOps demo group 22. One of my student, he is my batch 27 student. He asked, did anyone has the AWS DevOps interview question and L&T Mindtree questions? Okay, because everyone will face the problem, right? If you are asking any of the question, you are feel free to ask into the WhatsApp group. I will be here. One of my students recently placed in the Mindtree. Okay, he joined as a technical architect. You can discuss with him, and I provided the message. I provided the number to him, and this is the person who got recently placed in my, what we can say, in the L&T. Okay, I can show that because let me open that. I have a HR round with Wipro today. Means students are giving the interviews. Are you? Definitely everyone is giving, right? So I'm the trainer, I'm the mentor for them, and they are asking the question. Leave about the package and all these things. Okay, he given some reviews on the Google as well. Okay, learning DevOps, super. See, here is the question. I get a message from him, sir. I got an offer from the L&T Mindtree as a specialist in the cloud and software journey. I have a results. I have thousands of results, because if I have a community of 50,000 members, 54,000 members, every day, every minute, some students are getting placed. Yes or no? If you will ask me, sir, do you have a referral in Google? I just have to send one message in anywhere. Okay, anywhere. in WhatsApp, in Facebook, I will get 10% that yes, I am working into the Facebook or Google as well. I can provide you the referral. If your intention, you need a referral in any of the company, I am providing the referrals to you because we are creating the small groups. Not only this, okay, if you will see here latest groups, okay, some students are facing, see, let us assume here, okay, some student here morning today only, okay, I am trying to establish the connection between the master and this, I am facing some problem. So definitely I am the person who is giving the answer. It's not only me I have to give. This is a group. People will help each other. This time I answered because this is a more technical question came. Okay. Sometime if you will see here, if you will go up, full time the discussions are happening into the group. This is Thursday. Okay. I made the changes, but still getting the error. Can someone help me? Copy paste from the GitHub, repo in my PPT link, class link, same. Like that, people are facing the problem because if you will face the problem, if you are learning something, if you are facing the problem, if someone will help you, that's a great thing. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes or no, please.
Yes.
Right? If you will see here, any of the group, okay, any of the group, okay, allow port to start Jenkins, may I know, and you will see that we'll check tomorrow. Thanks, it's working tomorrow. Okay, let's see. So many people are facing the problem and people are helping each other. See here, Spring Boot localhost done. People are happy, right? Because they are, if someone is facing the problem, if help each other, see, finally I am able to achieve, right? He created the project, he is able to achieve it. Now help each other as well. We have to help it, we have to teach, we have to help each other, right? I will motivate you because you have to help each other. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So that's why we are creating a small group. I am combining you into the small group so that whenever you are trying to learn anything, but my preference is cloud and DevOps. Okay. If you will learn it, we will give a group to you so that you can ask the questions and you will be get the answers. It's not like that. If you, let assume you are learning something at 1 a.m. right? Definitely out of 20 or 40 students, one person will be available. He can give you the answer. Yes or no? If I am not available. Yes or no, please.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
the
Yes.
intention. That's the intention
Yes.
of making this community. I hope now very clear about it. Getting a referrals, getting a job, getting a group, same intention people, definitely into the big Facebook group, definitely into the small group so that interaction will be more. That's the intention of this WhatsApp or Facebook or Cloud DevOps community. Here, all the members are related to the cloud. All the members are related to the DevOps who are planning to learn, who already become them. All are combined in the same group. Cool. Any question? Yes or no? All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, how many people know me and from how long? Monica, from how long you know? Ujjwal, yes, Ujjwal is here. How come I forgot Ujjwal? Ujjwal, it will be good if you will switch on the camera. Or Ujjwal, from how long you know
Yes,
me?
sir. Sure.
How long you know me?
The last 2 months, around
Only 2 months. I feel that,
around 3+, I think.
okay. From the 3 months, you are in my batch. Correct? I feel.
Yes, sir. From 31 batch, I joined. 31 student, but joining from 30 batch.
Cool, that's good. And Ujjwal, you recently get a job also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Cool. What about others? How many people other know me? Please, anyone here from the 1 year, 2 year, 5 years? Yes, no, please. Okay, no problem. We are here from the last 2012. Okay. And in the COVID, we are completely online. Cool. Now, what exactly the agenda? We all are came here for the learning. Yes or no? Not to listen me. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Right? This is the agenda which we have to follow. Let me explain you in very short. Saturday, today, we will discuss about the cloud computing. Sunday, tomorrow, we will discuss about the Linux. Both will be the technical day. We will start our journey with first 15 or 30 minutes of the quiz. Why I'm organizing this quiz? Because everyone intention is to get a job. Yes or no? If you are an entry level, if you are working in some other profile, you are interested for the cloud and DevOps role. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right? So let's play the small quiz. It's not only the quiz that you have to give the answer. you have to give the answer. I have to explain you that what is the correct answer and why it is the correct answer. Okay, so that our learning and interaction will be more. Next 10 minutes, I will give the presentation, okay, about the introduction, about me and so many different things. Okay, and then we will start the technical learnings as well, because we have to learn the things. That's why we all came here. Then if you want, I will provide you some videos from my internal drives. Okay, whatever the access you need, you can ask and you can get it. Okay, and then at the last, we will again play the one more quiz, which is on the highest level. Okay, means this is just a basic level quiz, so that everyone will be basically little bit aware. If you are fresher, if you are experienced, you have to be aware about this part. This quiz we will play after learning the things that your level has been increased. Cool? Are you agree?
Yeah.
Then let's come directly into the quiz. Okay, I want you all to switch on or to be available with your mobile phone. Okay, and I'm opening the quiz here. Here is my link. Here is the link. I'm opening the quiz. In the quiz, this quiz is the level 1 for the cloud computing and very basics of DevOps. How exactly this quiz will be there? I'm bringing the link on the screen on the 2nd of September. Okay, and can we play the quiz for 10 questions or more? Starting will be 10 questions, will be more. Okay, let's take 10 or 11 questions. Okay, no, 15 will be long. Some people will get bored. Okay, so let's start with the 11 questions, and I'm giving you 30-second time for every answer. Okay, and leaderboard will be there. Who is giving the correct answer will be visible here. Chat, you can do the chatting, you can unmute and you can talk with me. That's not a problem. Okay, 30 seconds for every question, you will get it, and I'm starting the quiz. As soon as I will start the quiz, one barcode has been generated in front of you. You just have to scan this barcode. Okay, as soon as you will scan this barcode, you will be into the screen, or you will be as a participant. I'm giving you the link also into this chat window. Okay, just click on this link and you can able to join this quiz as well. One person, Prakash, has joined. Thanks, Prakash, for making the first. What about others? Guys, please feel free to join it. Abhishek joined. Yes. You can scan this barcode from your Paytm, mobile phone, lens, camera, all these options. See, now 14 students has joined this quiz. Well and good. Go ahead, guys. We are 76 members. I'm expecting at least 65 should join this quiz. Okay. 33. Cool. Very good. At least 70 members should join. Please be fast. Or if you want to invite your friend, I'm giving you 1 minute time so that you can join and you can invite your friend as well, because we have a capacity. Okay, I'm just giving a 1 minute time. Okay, so that you can join or you can invite your friend as well. Only 1 minute time to invite and to join that. Okay, you can post this message into the group as well. That is also fine. 48 students has already joined. 54. Guys, 40 seconds are pending. Be fast. 55. Looks good.
Actually,
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Vinit, go ahead. Just scan this barcode. Just scan this barcode with the mobile phone. You will able to join. That's it.
Actually, please, can you increase the time? Is it possible?
No. Time is very important for everyone. 63 members are.
लिंक से भी कर सकते हैं ना?
Yeah, you can just click on the link and you can join. That's fine. 63 members. I am expecting 2 more. Please be fast.
Because I cannot able to join.
Why? What is the problem?
I scanned the QR. In that join quiz will be there, right?
Correct. You have to just
So
provide
I meant.
You have to just.
Yeah, I provide my name. Enter quiz.
Can you scan again with another mobile phone, or you can directly open this link in your laptop also? That is also fine. Anything is fine. See, you can see 65 students are already joined. So there is no technical issue.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah, so basically, I am also being stuck on the first one where it was mentioned that good luck for your questions, and there
Yes,
I'm
yes.
not seeing any button.
It's not started. I have to start the first question. Okay.
Oh,
What is
okay,
your name?
okay.
What is your name? Lati.
Lata Kant Sarma.
Lata.
Yeah,
Let me check it. Yeah, Lata Kant is already joined. 2 times you joined. No need to worry.
Lata Kant Sarma. Yeah, yeah. I
You
have
already
joined
joined.
with the another browser.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now I have
Okay.
changed.
Cool.
Okay.
Guys, I think 70 members are already joined. We have to respect for these 70
नहीं,
members.
और 71 हो गए मे भी आगे
Cool. That's good.
72
Nice. Good. Okay. It's 73. We have to start it. Guys, be ready with your first question. Okay. Sometimes if it's a question, guys, mute yourself. Sometimes if question is very small, I will read it. If the question is long, I will not read it, because in the certification, you have to read the question by own. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, yes.
If you will go for any of the certification exam, you have to read the question by own. Okay, so I will not read the question. You have to read it, and the question will be on your screen. You have to you will get 30-second time to give the correct answer. Okay, 73 members are there. I am starting the very first question, and in the next 4 seconds, the question will be on your screen. Okay. The question is, which cloud computing service we have to learn to become the cloud and DevOps engineer? You have to learn Azure, you have to learn Google Cloud, AWS, or IBM Cloud, or you can learn any of the cloud. That is fine. 10 seconds on your screen. Five seconds. Some students, out of 70 students, some students say that 6 students are telling we have to learn Azure. Guys, can you justify why we have to learn Azure or why we have to learn AWS? Anyone has an answer? Why?
Basically, cloud is they are the cloud provider, right? So,
They are the cloud provider.
yeah. So any three platform I can we can choose according to whatever we will
You can choose
do.
any of the cloud. That is fine. Okay. You don't
Okay.
see, whenever we are trying to learn the driving, we will not decide that I will learn from the Centro only or I will learn from the Honda City. If you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. Are you agree with my point?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right. If you have a Lenovo laptop, you know how to use the Lenovo laptop, or if you know how to use the Windows operating system, you can put in Lenovo laptop, you can use into compact laptop, Dell laptop, you will able to run it. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So we don't have to specific ourselves that I have to learn Azure, I have to learn Google Cloud, AWS. No, there is no answer like that. If you know any of the cloud, if you know some services of the any of the cloud, it's fine. Okay, because I'm comparing here AWS and Google Cloud in front of you. Okay, let me open my AWS account. Okay, it's very simple. If you will go into this place, aws.amazon.com, as soon as go into this place, first option will come login. Okay, or sign in option will come. I'm clicking on the login in. I will help you out how to create an account. I will teach you everything. Okay, you don't have to worry at all. Okay, because I'm here for the mentoring. Here I'm just logging with my account. As soon as I will click on this, here my AWS homepage will be open. The URL is console.aws.amazon.com is the URL for my AWS account. Are you agree? Yes or no? This is the homepage for my AWS.
Yeah.
Correct. Let me bring my Google Cloud account as well. Okay. And we will compare it. We all are here for the learning purpose. So let's spend some time in the learning. Okay. I'm just clicking here. The URL is console.cloud.google.com. Compare it here. Console.aws.amazon.com. The URL is also same, console.cloud.google.com. Same?
Yeah.
Guys, yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Right?
Yes, yes.
Right now in the Google Cloud, all the services will be visible into these 3 lines. If you will click on these 3 lines, okay, all the services will be visible in here. In the AWS also, here is the place where all the services are here. Same, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So if you know any of the cloud, that's fine. But you have to be knowledgeable or you have to be aware about the cloud. If you don't know the driving, you can't drive any of the car. If you don't know how to use the laptop, Windows laptop, you can't run any of the Windows laptop. So my answer is, or the correct answer is, if you know any of the cloud, that is fine, but you have to be aware about that. Can anyone give me the answer? 10 services, which are the most popular 10 services are available? I need answer from you guys, one by one, please. Yes.
EC2.
EC2,
PS3.
most popular. One second, one by one. Most popular, which has to be learned into the cloud. If you don't know the EC2, you don't know anything. EC2 is a virtual machine service in the cloud. Let me tell you. Let me tell you why we have. Let me tell you one more thing. Okay, that because I'm providing you one roadmap. Okay, what services we have to learn. If you will come to my website. Okay, if you will come to my website, little bit down, little bit down, little bit down. Here is the roadmap. Okay, in this roadmap, what you have to learn. At this point, we directly come into the cloud. Okay, top 10 AWS services. I will teach you all the top 10 services. One, EC2. Yes, what next?
Yes,
Kubernetes.
Kubernetes is a DevOps tool. It's not an AWS service. Okay. So
Okay.
EC2, well, I accept EC2.
S3.
One second. I accept EC2. Is I'm teaching EC2 or not? Let me show you. Yes, I'm teaching the EC2. Okay, with practicals. Second, go ahead with the second
S3.
service. S3. Definitely, yes, I'm teaching the S3 also. Very popular. If you want to
IAM.
start
IAM.
IAM. Yes, I agree with your point. I'm teaching IAM service also.
RTS.
RDS.
RDS.
Wait, slow. RDS. Yes, I'm teaching the RDS. I'm teaching the databases as well.
Amplify to deploy website.
Which
EBS
one?
volume.
Amplify.
Amplify is, if that part we have to use from the DevOps.
S3.
Okay.
I mean, Lambda.
Lambda is a function as a service. That's also not very popular. Not
EBS
all
and Route 53.
EBS.
EBS and Route 53.
EBS. I agree. Okay. And
Route 53.
Route 53. I agree. Route 53 also important. Okay. VPC. Yes. Networking concepts are very important. Yes. Networking concepts also I am teaching. What else?
Load balancer.
Load balancer. Yes. Load balancer is my third practical. Where it is? Practical 3 ELB, Elastic Load Balancer. What
CloudWatch.
else? CloudWatch. Yes. CloudWatch is also available. Net monitoring. Okay. Here is the CloudWatch. What else?
CloudFront.
CloudFront is not very popular. Okay. I'm asking the top popular services.
ECS.
IAM. I agree with your point. IAM is also available in my course.
WordPress.
WordPress is a different thing. What else?
EKS.
EKS. Okay, it's a Kubernetes service. I will teach the Kubernetes also. Okay. Someone has given the answer into the link, into the chat also. That's also correct.
Auto scaling.
Auto scaling is also there. That's a theory part. I'm take care of the vertical scaling, auto scaling, horizontal scaling, high availability, IAM overview. Whatever you are not able to think also, that also I will cover up.
Cognito.
Or Cognito is a database, non-SQL database. It will come into the RDS with the Dynamo. Make sense? So what I want to say in the very first question, if you know the cloud, if you know any of the 10 services from any of the cloud, that's more than enough. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? First question clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me bring the second question. Guys, be very active, please. Okay. And whoever has joined little bit late, just go into this link. I'm giving you the link into the chat window. Okay. In this chat window, just go here and there is a number here 1232454. Okay. Just come into this code and you can able to join it. I'm bringing the next question in front of you. In the next 5 seconds, the next question is on your screen. What is cloud computing? Guys, be very fast. 20 seconds are left. What is cloud computing? Read all the answers properly, please. Simplest question. Five seconds, 4 seconds. 94% students are giving the correct answer. It's a distributed system for multiple services. Let me explain you in a simple way. This is little bit difficult English. No need to worry. Okay. I will explain you with a simple way. Okay. when I'm talking about the cloud computing. Chalo, before going into the cloud computing, can anyone give me the answer? What is cloud? What is cloud? Yeah.
Can I give?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah,
Cloud is a. Can I talk in Hindi?
English will be preferred.
Oh,
The reason
okay,
is because I don't know someone from the US, UK, Canada, anywhere. Okay.
okay. Cloud is a type of online storage. We can store data on online or any website or other storage instead of on hard drive.
Okay. But see, this answer is not up to the level of interview. If you will give this answer into the interview, interviewer will not give a job to you. I need a better answer, please. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Vinit.
Cloud
Guys,
is
guys, try to switch on
cloud.
the camera. Try to switch on the camera. It will be more interactive. Please. Yes, go ahead.
Cloud services are nothing but it offers the number of servers required for the user. We can use the servers when required. We only pay the bill for the servers which we are using when we are in the uptime, and we can use the servers for suppose there is a website it works on if it has any festivals or something. We require more number of servers to
Simple.
easy access.
Let me give you the simplest answer. Something with the help of internet, if we are trying to access, that is cloud. Are you agree? Some devices, some applications, software, hardware, servers, backend devices, with the help of internet, if we are accessing, that is known as cloud. It can be software, it can be application, it can be database, it can be another service as well. Okay. It is located into the data center around the world. We don't know where your data is getting saved. Are you agree with my point? In your mobile phone, if you have Google Photos, your photos are uploaded into the cloud, but you don't know where exactly it is. You are telling that it is cloud. It's in Mumbai location, it's in US location, it's in Canada location. You don't know. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Accessible over the internet is known as cloud. Simplest definition. Okay. Cool. How exactly the architecture will look like? Yeah, the architecture will be look like you have multiple devices. From your devices, with the help of internet connectivity, if you are able to connect to the backend, servers, virtual machines, drive, database, applications, network, VPNs, or so many services are there. With the help of internet, if you are connecting, that is the architecture of the cloud. Simplest definition. Correct? Are you agree? Now,
Yeah.
our question was, what is cloud computing? Chalo, or before that, I want to explain you one more point. Cloud services are located around the world. Can anyone prove it in the AWS? Which data center I have connected? Can anyone give me the answer? At this point, this is my AWS account where I have connected.
Mumbai.
Yes, I have
Mumbai.
connected. Yes, I have connected to Mumbai. Is that possible with the help of I am sitting in India location? Okay, is that possible with the one click I can change my data center to Singapore or Malaysia? Anything possible? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yeah.
It's possible.
Help me out, please. How to do it?
Yeah, choose
Just in a region.
choose and drop down.
In a
There is
region.
a drop down. There
By
is a
changing
drop
the
down.
Yeah, you
region.
can change.
Yes, there is a
whatever
drop
region
down.
you want.
At this point, I have connected to the Mumbai data center. If I want to connect to the California, if I want to connect to the US East, if I want to connect to the N Virginia, if I want to connect to the Singapore, I can just one click. Let us assume, can I connect with the Singapore data center? Can I click?
Yeah.
I'm just clicking on the Singapore and my data center has been changed to the Singapore location. Now I can create my server services application into the Singapore location. Is that much easy? If you know the answer, things are very easy. If you don't know the things, it will be very difficult. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Are they connected with each other?
No, they are the separate entities. Their network has been connected with each other. Okay, means you can move your data from one data center to another data center. That is possible. And I have connected with this account to all the data centers. That is the flexibility AWS or any of the cloud provider is providing it. But AWS and Google Clouds are the easiest if you want to learn. If you want to learn, you will not learn the driving with the Fortuner, right? Yes or no? You will start your learning with Centro or Shift only.
Or Nano also.
But difficult, right? People will not teach with the Nano. They will at least teach by Centro. Correct?
Yeah.
Cool. Now, what is our question? What is cloud computing? These are the different cloud providers: Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, IBM. If we are using their services, what all services, sir? We don't able to understand. I'm talking about this all services. If you will open it, there are so many services are available. Okay. If you are using their services, that is called cloud computing. Got it or not got it?
Sir, can I ask
Yeah.
something?
One second. Different cloud providers are there. If you are using their services, that is known as cloud computing. Yeah, go ahead with your question.
What is the major difference between this ERP cloud system and this cloud system?
Can you repeat your question? What is the difference between?
ERP cloud, like SAP cloud,
See,
IBM Dell Boomi.
they are
What
also
is the
a cloud
difference?
provider. They are also the cloud provider, right? They are that cloud. If you're talking about SAP cloud, ERP cloud, their product they have installed into their data center, and you are using it on their cloud, on their product. Got it? Their product on their data center itself. Here, we will create our application on different clouds. We don't want to be very specific.
Okay.
Right? Like that. Cool. Are you clear about basic understanding? You got it? What is cloud computing? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. In the cloud computing, there are multiple varieties of clouds are available. What is that? This is one is public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, or hybrid cloud. Okay. What is public cloud? Can anyone give me the answer?
Public
Like
cloud is a cloud that can be accessible by everyone.
example, Google Drive is a public cloud.
Anyone can access.
Which can be accessible by everyone.
Example Wi-Fi.
Then where is the security? It's a very secure. Public cloud is also very secure.
Community cloud, sir?
First, let's discuss the public cloud. Don't go with the second thing. First, discuss the public cloud. I will come to the community cloud. Okay. What is public cloud? I will give the simple example. In the hostel, in one hostel, different rooms are there. Some are publicly sharing, some are private sharing. Yes or no? In the hostel, if it's a single sharing, it's a private cloud. Means you are the only authority. Mute yourself. You are the only authority to go into your room. That is a private room. Whatever you want to do, you have the full control, you have a full flexibility, regulations, your rules will be into your private room. Agree? That is known as private cloud. Public cloud, what exactly it is? 2 sharing, 3 sharing, 4 sharing rooms are become the public cloud. Means definitely it's a secure. You have to make the things little bit flexible. Okay. It's not 100% your privacy. Multiple people has the flexibility to use the single resources. That is known as public cloud. This is also very secure, but in the real time, we have to use the private cloud because none of the company want to share his resources with anybody. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Did you get a very basic level of understanding for public cloud and private cloud? Now the next question is community cloud. What do you mean by community cloud? What do you mean by community? Give me the English answer. What do you mean by community?
A group of people working together.
A group of same intention people.
Same intention people, yeah.
Right. Let assume I am running some Cloud and DevOps community. Someone is running the Azure community. We have a same intention. Correct? We can connect with each other. Okay, you are also doing the same thing. I am also doing the same thing. Your intention is also same. Can we share the resource and purchase the thing? That is possible. That is a community cloud. Means same intention, 2 companies combine together and purchase one private network. That is a community cloud. Got it? Yes or no?
Yeah.
2 brothers purchase the one house. They are staying into that. 2 friends purchase the house and staying into that. That is a community. Okay. Now, important thing. What is hybrid cloud? Can anyone give me the answer? What do you mean by hybrid cloud?
The combination of private and public cloud.
I agree with your point. Okay. Something is public, something is private. we can call as a hybrid. Two varieties of cloud is known as hybrid. Okay, it can be public, it can be private, it can be Google Cloud. One part is Google Cloud, something is running on Google Cloud, something is running on AWS. Then it's a hybrid cloud. Nowadays, companies are running the things. They are not dependent with each other. Okay, they are not dependent that I have to use only Azure cloud, I have to use only Google Cloud, or I have to use only AWS. All clouds are same. Okay, so what they are doing it, whatever the good services are Google in the Google Cloud, use that. Whatever the good services are in Azure, use that and make the hybrid cloud. Agree? Have you listened the same thing in your company? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right, this thing is happening. So we also have to, if you want to work into the multi-cloud or you want to work into the MNC, you have to be aware about the multi-clouds. Yes or no?
Right.
Are you agree with my point, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, this is, guys, this was running till now, that's okay, but this is the future. We have to be aware about the multi-cloud. Okay, it's not like that, because if you will go to the interview, simple, you told that I know AWS. He told, okay, well and good, you know AWS, but we have some services are running in Azure cloud. Then what you will say?
Yeah.
One second. My question first. Okay. Let's assume you went for the interview and you are very good into AWS. Okay. And suddenly he asks, we have some services running in the Azure cloud. Then what you will say? You will say, I don't know Azure. And they will say, okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Tata. Right?
Yeah.
Right. And if you will say, I know AWS, I know how Azure works or how Google Cloud works. I worked very good into the AWS. I know how I worked. I created the things into the Google Cloud as well. And I am aware about it. He will say, okay, you have a chances. And there may be chances he will select you. So just tweak how you have to give the answer. You don't have to be very straightforward. No, I don't know. I will not learn it. In the interview, you have to say that, okay, I'm aware about this thing. I can compare and I can learn it and I'm able to work it. This is the very first trick to give the defensive answer. Yes or no?
Correct.
Now
Yeah.
ask the question. Now ask the question, please. Someone is in between. Switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. It will be good. I don't want to talk with a black screen. I want to talk with a human being.
Yeah, okay. So Azure and AWS is both same, like only service names is different, right?
Correct. Okay. See, if you are using the Lenovo laptop or compact laptop, what is the difference? Just one button is there, something little bit things are there. You have to put the mouse from here. Someone is giving from the back, someone is giving from there. 70 to 90% things are very same. Okay, only the difference is name and the services. I will help you out with the comparison as well. Okay, if you will give me a time, okay, by today, okay, or at the end of the today's session, I will give you the comparison that is already in my sheet, okay, which I have supposed to teach you. This is the high level comparison for AWS, Azure and Google Cloud. What all services are available in AWS, same thing is available into the Azure, same thing is available into the Google Cloud. What is the names are there? Okay, this is a high level discussion or this is a tough discussion. Maybe you are not able to read it, but if I will pass you this sheet, you are able to compare the things. Deep level comparison, what is available in AWS, what is available in Azure, what is available in Google Cloud. No need to read it. It's difficult. Very first day, you can't be a cloud engineer in 1 day or 1 hour. Okay, just see this. Cool. Can I bring my next question?
Yeah.
Sorry.
When and hello.
Go ahead.
Sir, when and who discovered AWS?
I will teach. Okay, that is the history of AWS. I will cover up by today. Okay, I will give the answer.
Yeah, I have a question regarding. Can you please tell me the example of what are the public cloud and private cloud? Real-time example.
See, okay. The real-time example. Let's go to AWS cloud. If you are going into the VPC, what is VPC? What is the full form of VPC? Ravindra, switch on the camera.
Yes.
Ravindra, switch on the camera. It will be good.
Okay.
Because I don't want to see that who is asking the question. Ravindra, it will be good if you will introduce yourself. Just a 1 or 2 line. What is your full name? Where you are working? How much experience?
Yeah, I'm Ravindra. So I'm from Chennai.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm working at sales.
Okay.
So fine. I'm production support engineer almost 11 to 12 years.
That's
so
good. Okay.
Yeah, I'm planning to switch over to cloud.
You definitely have to. Okay, 10
Yeah.
years experience. Okay.
But
Now,
anyway, yeah, I'm in my project. I'm already using this one, but I know some basic level, but
correct,
I'm
correct.
not learned.
Okay, I will make you the expert. Okay, I will make you the expert. No need to worry.
Thank you.
Okay, let's give the full form of VPC. What is VPC?
Virtual private cloud.
Virtual private cloud means in the AWS, there is a primarily option private cloud. They will not allow you to create a public cloud. And what I told in the real time, we have to create all the things as a private cloud. Only one option. There is no other option. You will not create your bedroom in the front of the house, right?
Yeah.
Or into the center of the colony, right?
Yeah.
Your private network will be always private. No, there is a isolated cloud resources. You have to create all these things. As soon as you will click here, you will able to create the private cloud. Very simple. I can create in front of you guys in the just 2-3 clicks. Okay, how to create a private cloud? You have to click on the create cloud. You have to choose the option VPC only, because your requirement is at this point how to create a cloud, how to create a private cloud.
Yeah.
Correct. So you have to choose. Can anyone tell me your name? Unmute and tell me your name, please.
Yeah. Ravindra.
Ravindra. Ravindra. Okay, Ravindra. I'm giving a name Ravindra, and I'm just giving some range. Okay, I will teach. I have to teach the technical things. So I'm just putting some random IP here, 10.0.0.0/16. Okay, I will teach all these things because I can't teach at this point. Everyone is not coming here for learning the VPC. Okay, I'm just choosing this and I click on the create VPC. As soon as I click on the create VPC, Ravindra VPC has been created. Private cloud has been created for you in the AWS account of the Singapore region. I can show you your VPC and you can see here Ravindra VPC is available at this point.
Okay.
Okay. And in the IT, in the real time, we have to deal with the private cloud in the 99% cases. Got it?
Yeah.
Cool. Chala, let me go to my next question. We have discussed only 2 questions till now. And who is giving the correct answers? Manu is giving all the 2 answers correctly. Gauri, Aniket, Monica, looks good. Okay. I want everyone to give the answers quickly so that your name also will be visible into the leaders board. Chalo, I'm bringing the next question, 3rd question on your screen. Be ready. Are you ready? Yes, no, fast.
Yeah, we are
Okay,
ready.
I'm bringing the next question. 3rd question. Yes, on your screen in the next 3 seconds. What is the primary benefit of using the cloud computing? The options are available here. Be fast.
All of the above.
No need to say here, please. Give the answer into that. If your name in the leaderboard, I will be very happy. Okay. Ruban, Narendra, no need to give the answer here. Give the answer into the chat box. Give the answer into your mobile phone screen. The answer is all the above. Yes. And 7 students said that they don't know the answer. Very bad. Okay. All the above are the answer. Let me explain you what are the benefits of cloud computing. Okay. If you will open my sheet, okay. If you will come to my PPT, these are the benefits of using the cloud computing. Very first benefit, low cost of ownership. You don't have to purchase the item. You can just pay the rent and you will get the ownership of that. Sharat, Shibu, mute yourself, please. Okay, if you are not talking. The low cost of ownership means you just have to pay the rent and you will get the answer. Okay, or you will get the cloud. Easily upgradable. If you want to do any changes into the cloud, you can easily upgrade the thing very easily. Just a click and you will get the answer. Okay. Productivity anywhere. I am sitting in India location. I can connect to any of the data center with just 1 click. This is the power of cloud computing. Are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Right? Productivity anywhere. Let's come to the second point. Offsite data storage. If you want, let's assume I'm sitting in India location. I want to create my data center into the India location only, or I want to keep all my data into the India location only. There is an option. They will they will store your data, or you have a ability. You can store your data into your region as well. Possible. No maintenance code. If you will create your own data center like this, let me show you something. Okay, if you will create your data center like this, where is that? Where is that? Be fast, 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 fast. If you will create your data center like this, okay, if any of the problem happen, what is the first solution? You have to go to the data center and fix it. Yes or no? If power outage problem, okay, if networking, if equipment failure, communication failure, power outage, network congestion, or any of the issue happen, what is the first solution? Go into the data center and check it. Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes.
Right? And whatever is the problem, you have to fix it. If you will not maintain the data center properly, in the next 5 to 7 years, the wiring will look like this. If you are a network engineer, support engineer, 24/7, you have to be available into the data center. If any of the disaster happen into the data center, you are the person who have to fix all these things. These are the problems with data center, and this all has been fixed with the help of cloud. And I can say that no maintenance charges. Okay, a maintenance is already added into the rent. Disaster, if any of the issue happen, cloud provider will fix that part. It will be always up. We don't have to worry for that part. Easily upgradable changes, and these are the benefit of the cloud computing. Are you agree with my point, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Anyone want to add any point?
Yes, sir.
Anyone want to add any of the point of the benefit of cloud?
Data center and data warehouse are same, right?
No, both are different. Data warehouse is a database.
Because
Cost saving.
you will share this PPT, right, to us?
Definitely, I will share, not a problem.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt. Basically, I was asking, could you share the group link also? I was trying to like join the group link, but I was not been able to.
WhatsApp group you are talking?
Yeah.
You can go to my website. All the things, whatever you're asking, everything is available. Join our WhatsApp community. Just click here. You will be into the WhatsApp community.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. If you want to go to my YouTube channel, just click here. You will get it. Okay. In my YouTube channel, lots of PPTs are available. Okay. You can just see in the video, the PPT will be there for sure. Okay. Just click and you will get the answer. And if you want to see my current running batch videos also, whatever the syllabus I'm showing here, okay, whatever the syllabus I'm showing, this syllabus is available here because I want you to give a path. You have to learn all these things in an order. If you will learn the things by own, where you will reach, you don't know, or I don't know. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? So I'm giving you the very simple syllabus, which is available in Excel sheet. Day 1, day 2, day 3, what you have to learn to become a DevOps engineer in next 2 months or 2.5 months. Okay. Link, videos. If you want to see the videos in my YouTube channel, just click here. You will get my videos into the YouTube channel into the order as well. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. I want you to spend some time. You will learn a lot here. Okay. Cool. Chalo, let's go into the agenda. All the above is the correct answer. I am bringing the next question in front of you. Okay. The fourth question on your screen in the next 2 seconds. Very simple question. What is AWS? Go ahead, guys. Please choose it. Simplest question. What is AWS? Ten seconds. 5 seconds. And most of the students has given that all the points are correct about the AWS. Yes, definitely all the points are correct about the AWS. Guys, whenever the definition will come, okay, if I will ask the question with you, what is AWS? Can anyone unmute and give me the answer in a very proper manner? Okay, let's assume this is your interview question. Who will give the answer? What is AWS? Simplest question. Everyone knows the answer, but how you are presenting that matters. Who want to give the answer?
Yeah, so I'll try.
It will be good if you will switch on the camera. It will be good.
Sure.
Okay. I don't want to say again and again, but it will be great. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sorry. So AWS is a provider, cloud provider, where it gives us solutions for scaling and maintaining for whole the database where the system which requires to store or required for their maintenance part. So it's roughly what I understood.
It's just a 20% answer, man.
Okay.
What else? Guys, add some point with him. If not, I have to give the answer.
Sir, I can answer. I'm Kumaresh Near.
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
It's highly available, on-demand delivery.
Okay. Okay. See, guys.
Pay as you click. You
Correct.
can go.
Pay as you go model. Correct.
AWS is nothing but Amazon
Just a
Web
minute.
Don't say
Services, which
nothing.
is
Okay. If it's nothing means it's nothing. Leave it. It's
okay.
something is there.
AWS is the Amazon Web Services, is a cloud computing platform that provides a n number of services and application interfaces to
Okay.
help and to promote the business.
Okay, chalo, let me. Okay, AWS is a subsidiary of Amazon company. Okay, it provides cloud computing resources, services on their platform. What is their platform? This is their platform, and he is providing this all services into the AWS cloud. Okay, here is the link aws.amazon.com. If you will go into this link, you will be landed into the AWS data center or in the Amazon cloud. AWS has multiple servers, multiple services, so many resources are there like database, networking, monitoring, and so many different resources are available on their cloud itself. Okay, why I'm telling it's a cloud? Because we are connected with the help of internet. That's why I'm telling it's a cloud. It's a on demand. Whenever you require, you can create it and use it. Whenever it's not required, you can delete and you can save your rent. AWS has a revolution over the time. Can anyone tell me the answer when AWS has came into the picture?
2000.
2000. Okay, I agree with your point. It's a 22-year-old product which we are trying to learn at this point. Yes or no?
Yes, correct.
Okay, AWS has a revolution over the time. In 20 years of duration, definitely the services has become increased. Free to join. You don't have to pay anything for the next 1 year if you will start learning from today. 1 year it's free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. And after that also it is free if you will not use it. If you will less use it, just minimum bill you have to pay it. What all things are freely available, sir? Definitely this question. If you will go into this link, aws.amazon.com free, okay, you will get the answer. What all things are freely available here. I'm just providing you the link into the chat. You can also have a look and just read it. Whatever the things, how much it is free. I'm not telling anything from my side. It is telling 12 months free of cost. It's a 12 month. It has been mentioned in their website and always free. They are not charging anything to keep it. It's always free account. Free trials are also available. If you are a learner, everything is free for you if you are a learner. Okay, and so many things are available here. What all capacities are there, how much it is, and this many services are there which you can learn free of cost. Okay, cool. This is just a very basic high level answer for the AWS. Okay, chalo, let's come to the again to the quiz. Okay, I'm bringing my next question. Whoever is the new joined here, you can just come into this link. Okay, join.quizhub and just provide the number 123254 to join the quiz. Okay, can I bring the next question? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Manu is still on the top. Yes, Santosh, go ahead.
Yes, there are a few services which are having 2 months. So after using that 2 months or after creation
See,
account,
2
it
months
is free.
for, see, 1 year it's all the services are free. Whatever has written free tier. Okay, I will teach you. Whenever I will teach you one by one services, first I will explain you this is free or not, or how much it is free. Okay, I will give the answer for that. Okay, for every
Okay.
service there is a little bit small different logic. Okay, and all these things are written into this place. If you are able to read it by own, there is no problem. If you want me to explain, yes, I will explain that. Okay, cool. I'm bringing the next question in the screen. Guys, be very active, please. I want Manu to come down. Manu is on the top from a very starting. 3 seconds on your screen. How many data centers or regions are available into the AWS global infra? Give me the answer, please. How many data center AWS has? 5 seconds are pending. Be fast to give the answer. Be fast.
So these questions are from exam.
Yes, these are the certification exam questions. You will learn it very easily. Okay.
Yeah.
And if you will give the exam, you will feel that Vikas has already teach all these things. And see why we are discussing, you will remember the answer. Otherwise, it's such a rattu tota kind of thing, right? I don't want you to. I want you to remember with the concept so that you can compare the another answer and you can able to give the scenario based answer also when the interviewer will ask. The correct answer is 32. Okay. Whoever is giving the answer into the chat, Kumar Sharan, let me remove it from here. Okay. I don't want you guys to give the answer here. Please, in the chat, please don't give. Okay. It's not required. The correct answer is 32. How to prove that? Here is the list. You can read it, but it's difficult, right? How to read the number, right? There is an answer. If you will, I'm giving you all the links here. If you will click here, AWS on the Amazon website, it is telling 32 launch regions, means data centers are available into the 32 places, okay, or 32 countries. Where are over the world, here is the places where all these data centers are available, wherever the dots are there. Got it? Yes, no? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, 32 countries, don't be confused. 32 countries, and in 32 countries, 102 availability zone. 102 availability zone means in this country, let's assume this is America, right? In the America, it's available in 5 places. Okay, so 5 different places, this data centers are available, but 32 countries and 102 availability zones, it is available. Clear? Now you will remember this answer. This number will get changed. No need to hard code this number, please. Okay. Tomorrow, if new data center will come, it will become 33. But at this point today, it is 32. Clear?
Yeah.
Cool. Can I bring the next question on your screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. The next question on the in the 4 seconds on your screen. How many services are available in AWS? How many services are available in AWS? In the next 10 seconds, be fast, be fast. Some student has given 100 plus, some student given 200 plus, some student at 400 plus. The correct answer is AWS. At this point in 2023, 200 plus services are available. Sir, how to see all these 200 services? Simple answer. You can go into the AWS account. First, you have to go to the AWS account, click on these services, click on all services, and here is all the services are available. Got it? Yes, no? The count is 200.
Yeah.
Okay. Out of 200, is that possible? You can learn all the 200 services.
No.
Do we have to, chalo, I will change my question. Do we have to learn all the 200 services?
No,
Why no, man?
we only work for what we need.
Correct. I agree. If you, let's assume you are very dedicated to learn all the services. If you will learn 200 services, it required 2 years for you. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the next 2 years, 50 new services AWS give it to you.
Yeah. In the meanwhile,
Correct?
we forgot the.
Yeah.
In the meanwhile, AWS will create 50 new services and you will never able to learn all the services. It's not at all required. Learn only top 10 to 15 services which are really usable into all the MNCs or which are usable in your company. That's it. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I agree from 100 all the person? If anyone is not agree, defense with me. Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Cool. Nice. Okay, chalo. Let's come here. How, sir, how can you prove that 200 services? You can go and count. Otherwise, I will give you some answer. Okay. In my PPT, I am explaining you. Here is the answer. Let's discuss about the AWS history. AWS came in 2002, around 20 years back. whatever this platform we are seeing, this is the AWS console. This console has been launched 20 years back. From 20 years, the UI is very minimal changes are there. Rest everything was very same. Experienced person, can anyone confirm me? This looks very simple. Yes, this is 20 years old. AWS is not changing anything on the home page. Are you agree? Yes or no? Okay. In 2002, AWS has launched its platform console.aws.com. Okay. In
Hello,
2000
sir.
yeah, Vinit.
Yeah, someone is unable to. Someone message that unable to access quiz. Please help you.
See, I'm not. I don't think so. Just
Hmm.
go into this link, join.qsub.app. The code is 123254.
Soumya
Definitely
Rajan Mohanty.
Soumya Ranjan Monty. Okay, let me check it. Monty. Okay.
नहीं
Yeah, I agree. SOUM.
नहीं चैट
Soumya.
पे मैसेज आया
Soumya is already into the chat window.
नहीं
Soumya, please.
unable to access quiz.
She is able to access. She is already here. Okay. No need to worry. Already 100 students are there. No need to worry. Okay.
एंड ये जो आपने डॉक किया है ना उसका एक्सेस मैंने रिक्वेस्ट किया था वो मिलेगा ना हमें
Where?
वो
Yeah, you will get it. No worries. Okay. Chalo. I'm going here. Soumya, you are here. No need to worry. Okay. Just check in your mobile browser. Definitely somewhere will be there. Okay. Cool. I'm going here. Where we are. Okay. Yes, we are here. Okay. In the AWS, whatever the very first service. Can anyone give me the answer? What is the first service of AWS which we have used it, which has been launched by AWS? What is the first service?
EC2.
No.
SQS.
SQS is the first service. What is SQS?
Simple queue system.
Can anyone explain what is the use of this SQS service?
Simple queue system, right? No.
Correct.
Can you
Yeah, what is
store
the use?
messages
What is the use? What is the benefit?
to exchange messages and store the messages
Yeah.
within some.
Chalo, let
Message
me give
transfer.
message translation. Okay, let's assume I have to send a message to you all, means all into the WhatsApp. Okay, if I will send 100 messages, my WhatsApp will get blocked. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right. So what AWS is telling, or what WhatsApp is telling, don't send bulk, send in a small queue, it will work. Same thing, if your company want to process your salary, they will give the bulk salary to the bank or to the HR department. They will process you. Okay. And if you and your team members are getting the salary at a different time, there may be a difference in the time, right? Some duration. Why? Why?
It will create a deadlock, right?
It will process in a queue. First, the salary will go to the RBI. RBI will send it to the banks. Banks will run the process and it will trigger to your account. Correct? So there is a process, and you can't do everything in a bulk. Small queues has to be created. That service has been launched by AWS in 2004. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. In 2009, the service has been launched, which is VPC. Okay. In the 2009, virtual private cloud has been created. Okay, means the private cloud which you are planning to create, it has been launched in the 2009. Agree? Cool. Because when the AWS has been launched, his first service EC2 came, virtual machine came, but this duration people were very worried that where our data will be there, is this secure or not? So AWS has bring the new solution, which is a private cloud solution, and it's become secured. Got it? In 2009, the VPC has been came, and after that, AWS has done some customer events. In 2017, around 100 services has been launched, and in 2016, around 10, it's reached to the 10 billion revenue. Then we all get to know that cloud become very popular. People are started learning on the cloud. Everyone is moving into the cloud profile. Yes or no? In 2016 and 17.
Yeah.
Right? Yes or no? right? Yes. Okay. This thing happened in 2016 and 17. In 2017, 100 services. In 2022, 23, 200 services has been created. This is the history of the AWS. Got it? Any question?
Yeah, what is Pentagon contract? What is?
See, some contract note has been set, okay, for the betterment with other countries kind of thing.
Mhm.
Okay. Yep. All good till now, the history of AWS. So whatever we are trying to learn, which has been launched 20 years back, and guys, high time, if you are 5 to 10 years experience, you don't know this all things, you must have to learn this all. Cool. Now, we will discuss it later on because we have to discuss a lot of things. Okay, this all different categories are there. What is traditional approach? What is cloud approach? What all traditionally things are there? How come it's become the cloud services like that are there? Okay, and what we have to learn, this all things at least you have to learn to become the cloud or DevOps engineer. Okay, or cloud engineer, and I will cover up everything. Okay, I will teach you all these services one by one or one, two services every day, and I will make a cloud and DevOps engineer. Okay, cool. Okay, now I'm bringing the next question. Okay, I hope all good till now. Let's see the leaderboard. Aniket is on the top, well and good. Okay, someone has been changed. Monica is on second, looks good. Okay, Harshita is on third. Guys, new person, please give the answer and come on the top. Please, I want to encourage everyone. Okay, chalo, I'm bringing the next question. Be ready. Are you ready? Yes, no, fast?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. The next question in the 5 seconds on your screen. What is DevOps? Simplest question, guys. What is DevOps? Five seconds, 4 seconds. And the correct answer is all these points are related to the DevOps, and all these points are correct related to DevOps. Some from the development team, some engineers from the development team, some engineers from the operation team working together is working as a DevOps engineer. Okay. DevOps is the solution. What is DevOps? DevOps is a solution for development and operation related issues and problem. That is called DevOps. Are you agree?
Unable to access this question.
Soumya, already 80, 90 people are able to, 110 people are able to access. Don't say like this, please. Just go to this link, or switch on the incognito window. Just click on this link, go to this URL and click on this code. You will able to join. Okay. Guys, see the URL and the number is on the top. Open your incognito window and be into the quiz. Okay. DevOps will help in the communication, collaboration, and integration. Okay. What do you mean by communication, collaboration? You have to talk with each other, different teams. You have to make it collaboration. You have to make the collaboration, and you have to connect it with different teams. Difficult to understand. Let me explain in a simple diagrams, then you will able to understand. Okay, because you can't remember the theory. Let me explain you with the diagrams, you will able to. Now my question is, what is DevOps? When developers, testers, and IT operations, these are the three popular teams available into the IT. Yes or no? In every company? Are yes, no?
Yeah, yes, correct.
Everyone. These are the three popular teams are available into any of the company to create any of the software or any of the application. When they work together, okay, and they face some problem, okay, and their process will be into the sync. Who will make it? That there is a small team that is called DevOps team. Someone from the QA move into this place, someone from the development move into this team, someone from the operation team move into this team, and they created a new team that is called DevOps team. Means someone from the development background, someone from the QA background, someone from the operation background have learned little bit more tools and become the DevOps engineer. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, because if you will see the word of DevOps, some dev is a half part, operation is a half part. They are working into the development as well as operation team. That is called DevOps team. Okay, some more definition I do have. Okay, I will tell you. DevOps is the solution for development and operation related issues and problem. Whatever the issues are happening into the development environment, whatever issues are happening into the operation environment, their problem has to be solved by the DevOps team. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
Yes.
DevOps will help in the communication and collaboration and integration. Because if you are a middle team, if you will not talk with each other, the communication will not happen. You are the most talkative team or most interaction will happen with all the teams. Means if you are a DevOps engineer, you will able to learn the development also. You will able to learn the QA also. You will help to the operation people as well. You can move to any of the site is possible, or another people want to move into the DevOps because DevOps is a highly popular service at this point, and most of the people companies are giving the highest salary into the development DevOps team. Okay, chalo, let's go into the some more thing. DevOps is a streamlined solution for all the activities related to the development and IT operation. It's a streamline means you will create some good solutions with the help of tool and help other the team has to be achieved by the DevOps team. This is called DevOps team. Did you get the answer? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Everyone? So if someone will
Yeah.
ask, what is DevOps? DevOps team, this, what is this? What is this infinity loop? There is a software development life cycle, okay, where the planning, coding, building, testing, releasing, deployment, operation, monitor, this all things will happen into the software development life cycle. Some people are developers, some people are operations. We will provide the tools to make the things quicker, faster, or this infinity loop should run faster. That is the work of DevOps engineers. Got it?
Yeah.
What about others?
Yeah, got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Now, if someone will ask what is DevOps, you will able to give the answer.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, you must have to give the answer. What is DevOps? Okay, chalo. Let me go to the next question. Okay, guys, whoever is new, please go into this, come into this link, give into this code and join it. Eighth question on your screen. How many tools are available in DevOps? 100, 50, 10, 15, or we can't count the number. First, how many tools are available in DevOps? Five seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. And the answer is uncountable. Okay, you can't count how many tools are available into the DevOps. Okay, and most of the students has given the answer for uncountable. Okay, that's fine. What happened? Something different. If I will show you the image of DevOps or DevOps tools into the market is this. Where is that? Wrong image came. Okay, if you will see the DevOps cycle, this many tools are available into the DevOps. Do you think that you have to learn all the tools?
No.
No. So what will be the correct answer? There are unlimited tools are there. We can't count it, uncountable. But what we have to learn? For every category, we have to learn some set of tools, right? For coding, the code management has to be done with the help of Git. Code, if you want to learn into the coding, want to be into the code, then Python is the language which you can choose it. Okay, environment should be Linux because Linux is the most popular environment which we have to discuss. In the tomorrow class, I will teach you the Linux as well. If it's a Java based code, the build has to be created with the help of Maven. That is very important. Testing or releases has to be happen with the help of CI/CD and with the help of Jenkins. Definitely it will be required. you have to understand the project, because development side also one project will be required. Okay, if you want to become a DevOps engineer, the development side project is also required, where the coding, building, testing should happen and it should get released. That is my first project in my syllabus. Okay, if you will go to my syllabus, this is the first project which we have to learn it to become the DevOps engineer. Where it is, if you will see here, this is the first project which I have to teach to you to make a DevOps engineer. This project is a CI/CD pipeline based project on the Java, on the Spring Boot application with the help of Git, GitHub, Jenkins file and Docker, and I will deploy the application into the remote machine. That is a first project. Okay, if you will come down, okay, after development side, do you have any project on the operation side? Yes, we do have the project on the operation side. Means the project belong to the deploy category, means on the cloud. It can be AWS cloud, it can be on the Google cloud. You have to deploy with the help of Docker and Kubernetes. So I have a second project which I will create it in front of you, which is an e-commerce website. It's a microservice based project. Java, Python, Go, .NET language I will use. It's a web-based application which I will teach you on the Kubernetes cluster. So this is the thing which we have to learn it. Now, third point, sir, do we have any monitoring related thing? Yes, if you will see the DevOps tool, there will be a Docker. You have to be aware about it. Operation activities with the help of Terraform and Ansible. Yes, we have to learn it. If you want to ask 30 lakh package or 40 lakh package, if your intention is to ask more package, you have to be aware about this part, Kubernetes, Ansible, and Terraform as well. Plus, after doing this all, if we created this many things, sir, is this will all run automatically? No, we have to set up the monitoring also. So we have to learn about the monitoring as well, Grafana and Prometheus. Got it? You don't have to learn this all things, never ever, because it's practically not possible. Are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because let's assume if you will started learning Jenkins by own, when you will finish, you will take 1 month time to finish it. No, it will not finish in 1 month also. If you will start learning any of the tool in the next 10 years also, you will not able to learn all the things. But what we have to learn, how much we have to learn, which I have already decided for you based on my experience, based on my 12 or 14 years of experience, you have to learn all these things. And how much I have to learn, I have to teach to you, or how much you have to learn. This has been mentioned here on which day, what you have to learn. In short or in simple way, I will tell you, we have divided our syllabus or our things into the simplest way. Yeah, we have created a roadmap for you. We have divided things into the multiple modules. First, we will teach you the DevOps foundation. Second, we will teach you the Linux. We will teach you the cloud. Then our DevOps journey will get start. The development part, Git, Jenkins, we will teach you, Git, GitHub, Jenkins. Then Kubernetes and Docker, we will teach you in the module 5. Module 6, we will teach you on the AWS, Terraform and Ansible. Module 7, we will teach you, because some companies are asking Python automation and shell script. We will teach you that. 8th, we will teach you the monitoring stuff with the help of Prometheus, Grafana, and help on the Kubernetes environment completely. We will give you the 3 projects on the module 9, and definitely you will able to get a job, because so many students after doing all these things able to reach to the job as well. Okay. So in short, I want to say that you don't have to learn unlimited tools. You have to learn the 10 to 15 tools to become a DevOps engineer. Are you agree with my point, everyone? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Any question? Any dilemma?
By this explanation, there were 2 options were correct, na?
No.
That is uncountable and 10 to 15
No,
are most
see,
popular.
How many tools are available in DevOps? That is uncountable. The correct answer is uncountable. But how much we have to learn? That is 10 to 15. Correct? Based on the question, unlimited or uncountable is the correct answer based on the question. But based on the understanding, 12 to 15 is the enough tools which we have to learn. Okay, cool. Okay. I'm bringing the next question, the 9th question on your screen. Be very active to give the answer. Okay. In the 3 seconds, the question is on your screen. How to become a cloud or DevOps engineer, and how to make the triple of your current package. Whatever is your package, 100% hike, 200% hike, you can make it. 10 seconds on your screen. Be fast. Some students are telling learn all cloud services from any of the cloud. All services? No, we don't have to learn all the services. Practically not possible. Do the certification? Never, because certification is useless if you don't have the knowledge. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right.
Certifications important, right?
See, certification will be help you out if you have a knowledge. If you want to ask the more package, then certification will be help you out.
Okay.
Right? Certification is just a icing over your resume. You will not get direct job with the help of certification. You will get a direct job with the help of knowledge only. So knowledge
Right.
is the first preference. Then if let assume someone is releasing the offer of 22 lakhs, okay, and you will say that I have 2-3 certification, then you can ask 25 lakh package, and he will say, okay, let's increase the package because he's certified. But if you have 5 certificate, you don't have knowledge, no one will give you the 5 lakh package also. Correct?
Right.
So
Right.
knowledge is first thing, then certification is the icing over that. Okay. Learn multiple DevOps tools? No. Okay. Learn top 10 AWS services or top 10 services from the cloud. Learn top 10 DevOps tools to become the DevOps engineer. This is the absolute correct answer, and most of the students has given it. So the question was how to become a cloud or DevOps engineer. The answer is learn the top 10 services of any of the cloud, AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, top 10 DevOps tools. What are top 10? Git, GitHub, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, some monitoring tool, Prometheus, Grafana. If you will understand basics of scripting or automation with the help of Python, 5 lakh extra for you, and do the project, done. If it's a Java-based project, then Maven will be required. And mine is a Java-based project, so I will teach you Maven also. Okay, cool. All clear? Or any question, any discussion required here? Can we bring the next question?
So one question, sorry to interrupt. So basically, can we also go with the JS JavaScript, like someone have the idea who has worked on JavaScript?
Yes, anything is fine. Okay, anything is fine. I'm not telling you have to learn Java, Python, .NET. That is a development work. Okay, if you know how to execute the JavaScript, that's enough. That is a DevOps work.
Okay.
Okay, I can show, but I don't want to waste the time. But in this my group, so one of the student was unable to write the Java code. So one student told that no need, you don't have to become the DevOps developer. Okay, copy paste the Java code and understand the DevOps process. That's most important, right? Because the code will be written by developer. We don't have to written the code.
Right.
Right. Cool. I'm bringing the next question. Guys, please be ready. On your screen, the next question. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Do you know how many openings are available on Naukri.com for AWS or DevOps engineers? Any idea? Any guess? Only in the Naukri.com. How many openings are there? Fast. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Guys, the answer is more than 35,000 openings are there. And how many you need? How many jobs you need?
One.
One to make a counter
Only
offer
one.
2. To make a counter offer 2, to make a double your package or triple your package, 3 offers, right? There are more than 35 to 40,000 openings are there. I can prove that. Okay, we can go. I'm going here in my screen only. I took the screenshot. Okay, 34,000 openings are there for that. Okay, and I can go to the Naukri.com. Why should I show here? I can go into the Naukri.com. This banner came and this was behind this banner only. Okay, around 30,000 work from office jobs, 2,500 remote jobs, 2,000 hybrid jobs are available only for the DevOps role. Okay, only for the AWS and DevOps role. Got it? I just searched AWS and DevOps. Around 35,000 openings are there. Are you agree? Fine. That if I will put freshers also, okay, let me put freshers, FRESHERS, because sometimes fresher told that, sir, we are not getting, do we have any job for freshers also? Guys, there are so many jobs are available. 0 to 2 years, DevOps engineer, fresher. Okay, 11 days ago. 3 to 8 years. Okay, 7 to 10. 0 to 1 year as a fresher, okay, 2 to 3 years, okay, and 0 to 4 years, okay, 5 to 10, okay. If wider openings are there, guys, if I will add only freshers, and if you will see the count, it will become 50 to 70,000 openings are there in this profile.
Yeah,
Are
hey,
you agree?
because Amit this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, Amit.
I'm audible, guys.
Yeah, you are audible. Go ahead.
So, because my question is like that, I'm currently working with the IBM, around 8 years of experience with the 30 LPA package.
Okay.
So, working as a WebSphere administrator.
Good. That's good.
Okay, so on Linux, right? So
Okay.
my situation, like I want to switch to cloud or DevOps. Okay,
Yep.
1 year back I took the Educa course. I learned the DevOps like Jenkins, Gates, and all that.
Okay.
But got some interview
Amit,
calls,
it
but
will be
they
good. It will be good if you will switch on the camera. I really want to.
I can't because I'm not in a native place, so situation is not that
Okay.
favorable with me.
Okay.
Okay, so my question, like I'm getting the call, they usually now this is a package with the experience, so they're looking for like a lead person
Okay.
every time, and
Okay.
the second thing is a real time experience.
See,
So
if
that's
you will
lagging me. Yeah.
see, that's lagging me. You took the Edureka. Are you able to ask the question with them? Are you able to clear all the doubts and questions?
No, that's not help me. That's not
No,
help me. They
right?
gave me
But
the
here,
basic idea. Yeah.
but here you will able to do the practicals. I will show you how my students are doing the practical. We have a LMS system that is called Google Product, Google Classroom. Okay. For my every batch students are doing the practical. How they are doing it? If you will come here into the classwork, okay, into the classwork, we are providing the assignments. Okay. Level 2 Jenkins question. Okay. Day before yesterday only I posted it. 30 August means day before yesterday only I give it to you. Over the weekend student will do this all assignments. If you will see here, all the practicals, whatever we are doing it, I assign and 11 students has given the answer for that. And here is the assignment. We are tracking the assignments as well. Means you don't have to learn the theory. Theory should be 40% or 30%. If you will able to remember 30% theory, that's enough. But 70% your practical matters. If you will see my syllabus, it's a completely practical one has been started on day 12. Okay. Some people directly jump into the AWS and teach it, but we will create a base for you. Why we have to learn the AWS? What is the AWS, right? First you have to learn the Linux, then only you can learn the AWS. That will be helpful for you. Some students should directly teach the AWS from the day one itself.
I had no like shell scripting. I have learned to learn with the Python as well. So all that basic things I am aware. I'm working on Linux only. So WebSphere administrator working on Linux
Where
only.
you are lagging,
So,
Amit? Where you are lagging? What is the problem you are?
lagging is that I do not have real time experience with Cloud and DevOps.
Have you did the project? Have you did the practical?
Project like they have provided one project like that's
not one,
CI/CD pipelines on that. Yeah.
Not 1, 2, 3 projects. Have you break the project? You fix it?
No, not like that.
Then you
so
don't have the real time experience. You will not able to give the
that's
real
the
time
point. That's the point. That's the point. That's
You
right.
have
So
to
I'm just looking for real time environment, right?
You have to break the environment. Okay. Ask the questions and get your answer solved. Okay. You have to do the practicals. Then only it will fall as a real time.
My question is this: how many projects we gonna do with you? And second thing, what level of that project? Yeah.
See the level of project. If you will see here, these are the 3 projects. I will give it to you. The real time projects. Okay. Means I will run in front of you. And it's not like that I will give you at the last. If you will see here, project thing in between also means we are creating a multiple dots, right? So we have to merge the dot. If you will see here, day 20, practical 22 and project 2 will come here itself. Okay, means on the Kubernetes, as soon as Kubernetes project, as soon as we will learn the Docker Kubernetes with Linux, with AWS, the project will come into this place itself. And the level of, you will see that you can, especially whatever the topics we have, especially for 3+ experience, Kubernetes, especially for 3 to 5 years experience person. Okay, we will go into that level. In the Jenkins also, it's not like that for fresher. Till 2 weeks we will learn for the fresher. 1 week we will go for 3 to 5 years or 7 years, 10 years experience person.
Yeah, that's what looking. I'm looking for like a big project that can I mention in the resume that I have worked on that project.
Correct. See, sometimes fresher will say, sir, it's more than enough for me. I'm telling, no need to worry. Just come and watch as a movie. Right? Because this discussion for primarily for the experienced person. So I explicitly written that whatever has been completed, whatever is for experienced person, it has been clearly mentioned here.
Okay, this looks cool for me.
Okay,
so
and
that's
it's not like that. See, it's not like that. Only this thing. Sometimes after 45 days of learning, some students feel that, sir, I went for the interview. They are asking this thing. This they are asking something new which is not in your syllabus. I'm telling it's your choice. You can put any of the topic from here. Okay, in the student choice day, means this is a 2-3 days session. We will take it. Whatever the new topic you want to bring, you want to learn Azure, you want to learn Splunk, you want to learn AWS DevOps, you want to learn migration, Rancher, whatever it is, bring it into the table or bring it into the group that we have to learn. We face this problem, and I will teach you that also.
Okay. Thanks, Vikas, for the info. Yeah, this looks okay for me because I have seen so many courses like in Telepath and something. I'm stuck with that.
Also a trainer.
Yeah.
I was also a trainer into that, Eureka.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm just looking for a person who can give me the real-time experience. So
this is the real time I will provide. You are welcome to come to my live class. Okay, tomorrow 8 a.m. IST. Okay, you can go to my website, current syllabus. Okay, as your experience, come in between. Okay, no need to worry. Just directly click on this link and join my class tomorrow 8 a.m. Okay, you will see that how we will do the things. Guys, this is not only for him. Anyone who want to come to my live classes of 8 a.m. IST, you are just feel free, go into this website, click on this place and register here. I'm giving the link into the chat also. Okay.
Yeah, please.
Directly.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Here in the chat window. Okay. Feel free to just register here. You will get a mail like this and you will be landed into the classroom.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Vikas. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thanks for asking the question. Okay. Chalo, let's go to the next question, guys. Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, basically. So what I was asking, basically, I have 3 years of experience. So if I apply right now as a...
Can we park for a little bit, 15 minutes? Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Let's complete 2 more questions and then we will ask the question and answer only. Okay. Okay, cool. Next 10 minutes, please. I'm bringing the next question on the screen. Okay. Do you know, guys, which is the highest paying profile at this point around the world? Which profile candidates are getting the highest package? Data science, developers, testers, DevOps engineers, or full stack engineers, or full stack developers? Any idea? Any guess? Give the answer here, please. Okay. And the correct answer is DevOps. DevOps people are getting more than developers, more than data engineers. I'm not telling from my side. Okay. I'm going to the Stack Overflow. Do you know what is the Stack Overflow website? Yes or no? Anyone knows what is Stack Overflow?
Yes.
You can trust on Stack Overflow articles? Are yes or no?
Yeah, we can.
It's not written by me. It's not written by any of the institute or nothing like that. It's on the Stack Overflow. Okay. Salary in 2019, 20, 21. Okay. They mention it. And in all the countries, which salary is coming high? If you will come down, DevOps engineer in US is getting highest paid. In UK, DevOps engineers is getting highest paid. In India, DevOps engineers is getting highest paid. In Germany also, the DevOps engineers are getting highest paid. Got my point?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So this is the highest salary. So you have to fight for the profile which is easy to get a job. Number of openings are there and salary is also high. Cool. Guys, give me 5-10 minutes. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Chalo, let's come to the actual topic of cloud computing. Okay. Let's go to the PPT only. Okay. At this point, you are basically aware about what exactly the cloud is. It's a servers, it's a storage place, it's a services. With the help of internet, we are connecting. That is a cloud. Whatever the services, if you are using, that is known as cloud computing. That is possible because of the virtualization. What is virtualization? New word came into the picture. What is virtualization? What is virtualization?
Not
You're virtually creating the resource.
Better answer. I need
not
a better
physical,
answer.
right?
That not physical. That
okay. Which is
virtually creating CPU memory.
Based on cloud work.
See, I'm telling cloud computing is possible because of the virtualization. Now the question is, what is virtualization? Virtualization means accessing someone else's hardware with the help of internet is known as virtualization. It's a physically available somewhere else. We are connecting with the help of internet. That's why it's calling virtualization. Okay, don't say that it is available virtually. It is physically available somewhere else with the help of internet we are accessing, or that's why we are calling it a virtual. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. The technical term of if there is any computer or any machine, CPU, memory, storage are there. If any machine is there or any of the computer, that is called virtual machine. If I will tell you what is virtual machine, don't say that it is virtually available. That's why it's virtual machine. Your answer is correct. It is physically available somewhere place. Okay. Somewhere, someone's hardware it is available. That's why it is called virtual machine. Now, if I will ask the question with you, how many click will be required to create any of the virtual machine? Let's go to AWS. AWS or GCP? I want to create a virtual machine. I want to show you how to create a virtual machine. AWS or GCP? Which cloud?
AWS.
AWS. Okay. Let's go to the AWS. No worries. Someone say loudly AWS. Okay. I'm going to the Mumbai region. Okay. I will create a machine into the Mumbai cloud. Okay. Mumbai data center on the AWS cloud. What is your requirement? You need a virtual machine. If you need a virtual machine, means you have to create a EC2 machine. What is the full form of EC2? Can anyone explain?
Elastic Compute Cloud.
Elastic
Compute Cloud. What do you mean by elastic?
Extendable.
Increase or decrease?
Flexible.
Increase or decrease? What do you mean by compute? CPU memory, that is called compute. Okay. On the cloud, that is called EC2. Virtual servers into the cloud, that is EC2. You just have to go here. Okay. Do you think that virtual machine creation is tough? I can create the virtual machine in the 5 clicks. Okay. Or not even 5 clicks. I'm into the, this is the place which is the home place of the virtual machine. Let me go here. Okay. Sorry. This is the home page of the virtual machine. You just have to go to the any of the data center and just type EC2. If you will type EC2, you will be landed into the home page of the EC2. At this point, I don't have any machine. Are you agree with my point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm doing the very first click on the launch instance and I'm creating a machine. Launch instance. Okay. As soon as I click on the launch instance, one template has been opened. You have to fill the template. You have to provide the information what virtual machine you need. I want to give the name. I'm doing the first click. Give me the name. Can anyone unmute and give me your name?
Rama.
Rama. R-A-M-A. Okay. I'm giving a date. 2nd. Okay. 2nd September. Okay. Rama 2nd September is the name of the machine. First click, I provided a name. Rest everything I'm taking as a default. It will take AMI. I will teach you what is AMI. Okay. What is AMI number, 64-bit architecture. I'm taking all default. I'm not doing any changes. I'm taking 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM by default, freely available. Whatever is the freely available, it will be written like this, freely. Okay. We have to make it very comfortable that it's free. No need to worry at all. Okay. It is telling that, do you want to make with the key? I'm telling yes. I'm making the 2nd key. I'm creating with the key. Okay. I did 2 clicks. I'm coming down. It is telling you want to put into this network. I'm okay with everything. Do you want the internet into this machine? I'm telling yes, I need an internet. I click on the 3rd. Do you want to go any of the application outside it? I'm clicking yes, I need it. I did the 4th click. Do you need 8 GB? Dix, guys, do you need 8 GB or any other number? Tell me any number between 8 to 10, 20. 8 to 20, any number?
8 is good.
16.
8 is okay. Chalo. I don't have to click my
I
one
think
click.
that is the free trial for that.
No worries.
Above means we need to pay.
CPU and memory is chargeable. Hard disk is free. Okay. Okay. So my 1 click has been left till now 4th clicks. Okay. And done. I have done with the template. I just click on the launch instance. My 5th click and my virtual machine is ready with the name Rama. Successfully, it has been created. I am clicking on the instance. At this point, it is telling pending with the Rama name. It will take 20 seconds and my machine will be up. Do you say that virtual machine creation is tough? No.
Nope.
If you have an idea, 4 clicks are enough to create it. Let's compare with the Google Cloud. 4 clicks on the Google Cloud and the machine will be ready.
Because regarding that compute, right, you told CPU and memory, right?
Correct.
That's correct, right?
Correct. CPU and memory is the meaning of the compute. The combined word is compute. Okay.
Okay.
See,
So
now
it's a hardware support.
it's a hardware. It's a hardware. Absolutely correct. It's a hardware. Okay. My machine is up and running. Okay. Let's create a machine in the Google Cloud also. People are telling, so no, sir, it's different. Guys, both are same. No need to worry. You have to go to the home page. It is telling here compute engine. Okay. Earlier they are telling EC2. Here it is telling VM instance. I click on the create instance. Okay. First click. Same template will open. You have to fill the template. Okay. You have to provide the information. Okay. Now here, please tell me the name. Anyone's name? Anyone name?
Latakant.
Latakant. Latakant. Okay. I just given the name Latakant. It is creating in US. I'm okay with that part. If you want to change, you can change it from here wherever you want. Okay. Which machine it is creating? It is creating 0.25, 1 GB RAM or like that in the E2. I'm okay with that part. 1 core, 4 GB RAM. It will provide it by default. Only one click I did till now here, only for the name. Okay. I haven't clicked anything. Here I'm taking all the default. Do you need the internet? I'm telling yes, I need the internet. Do you telling that do you want to allow the internet on HTTP secure network? I'm telling yes. My 3 clicks happen. Do you want to change the operating system or can I take the Linux operating system only? Tell me.
Linux is good.
Linux is good. Then no need to worry. My 1 click has been left. I just click on the create. In the 4th click, my virtual machine will be ready. Okay. And in the next 20 seconds, it is creating. Give me 20 seconds. Give the 20 seconds to the Google Cloud. The machine will be ready. So 4 click on AWS, 4 click on the Google Cloud with the same approach. If you know Google Cloud, you know you are able to work in AWS. If you know AWS, you are able to work into the Google Cloud. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, sir, how to connect to the machine? The machine is ready in the Google Cloud. The machine is ready in the AWS Cloud as well. Yes, it is running. In Google Cloud, it is also telling running. Okay. Now, how to connect it? Just select the machine. The connect option is coming here. Connect. If you will click on the connect, if you will come down, there is the option connect. Just click on the connect. You will be landed into the machine. That's it. Connections are happening and you are landed into the machine. Your Linux machine is ready. You can learn the Linux into this place. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. In the Google Cloud, how it can be? Same option. Select the machine. Okay. There is the option SSH. What is SSH?
Yes, secured shell.
Secure shell. Click on the secure shell. Okay. It will be copying all the private key, public key with the port number 22. It will be allow you to go inside it and you will be landed into the machine just with the 1 click. 4 click for crashing a machine, 1 click to connect into the machine. 5 click, you will be landed into the Linux machine.
So earlier it's not like that, right? We have to connect from putty, right?
You don't know the real basics. Okay. Someone teach you from the putty and you are connecting with the putty. Correct?
Yeah.
You don't know how the cloud is easy. Someone is making it tough for you and you are thinking it's tough. I'm making the thing simple. 5 click, machine is ready. Here I have connected into the machine. I'm teaching directly into the cloud. Someone is telling that this is a virtual machine. It's very tough. You have to click here. You have to provide username and all these things. 10 clicks on the providing username only. And you have to install putty, do the setting into the putty and then
keys and everything we need to put and will generate
correct.
the public.
Correct. And click and cloud is very straightforward. He already know you who is coming. Okay, you already logged in, so he is not asking anything. He is directly allowing you to go inside.
This approach is from earlier years also. It's now only
from
changed.
10 years, man, is the same approach.
Okay.
Okay. See, sometimes we feel that, see, why I'm teaching that 5 clicks. Why I'm explicitly telling 5 clicks, because it is just a 5 click of matters. If we don't know, we will never do the things. Correct?
Yeah, when I connecting, so get the key and using the gen key.
I know. I will teach in my batch also same thing. Okay. But this is just a 5 click. I have to teach because if you will go to the company, you have to do the same approach, right? So
Yes,
on
correct.
the very second day of AWS, if you will see here, I will create a machine. Okay. No, this is GitHub. Okay. Here, here. Connecting a Apache web server, connecting with the mobile stream or putty. We will use some other tool and we will connect with the mobile stream. We will create a public key, private key, and all these things I have to teach you. Because when you will go to the company, you have to use the real-time approach. Correct?
Yeah.
So everything is a combination in my course. Okay, cool. Chalo, let's come to the another thing. Virtual machine is not tough at this point. Okay. Now, if I'm talking about the, what is the next? Tomorrow, I will create one website completely in front of you with just a 20 clicks. Okay. I will create a complete application with the help of cloud, with the help of DevOps. I will create everything in tomorrow session. Okay. Tomorrow starting, we will do with the practical only. Okay. Now, if I will ask you, because in the AWS, in the cloud, there are multiple things are there. This is what we have to learn in the cloud computing. Development model as well as service model. When I'm talking about the development model, types of clouds will be there: public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud. We know little bit about the cloud. I have to discuss in a very deeply about this cloud with some advantage and disadvantage. In the cloud, there are some service models are also there, like infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. What is that? Can anyone tell me what is infrastructure as a service? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like Google Drive. It's yes, internet as a service.
Okay. Any better answer? That's okay. Anything better?
Infrastructure as a service, compute, memory, storage, network, all the things involved in it.
Yeah.
Okay. Means you are telling I created the virtual machine that is infrastructure as a service.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes, your answer is correct. Virtual machine is an infrastructure as a service into the cloud. I have to explain you into the theory as well. What exactly it is? Let me tell you. Okay. Tomorrow I will create an example and I will teach you. That will be more easy. Okay. No need to worry for that. If I have an image, okay, no, 1 second. Let me find out the better image. Okay. So that you will able to understand that part. Here. Just give me a second. I want to show one image so that you will able to compare it very easily. Okay. Or you will remember the thing for a long time. Yeah. Okay. This is the thing which we have to learn in all the way. There is a traditional approach. What is traditional approach? It says that you have to manage everything: networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data, application. You have to manage everything. That is called traditional approach. That is called data center approach. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes. Yeah.
Everyone agree with my point? Right? If you are maintaining all these things, means you have a data center with yourself, networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, everything you have to manage. That is called data center approach. Now, if you will move into the cloud, okay, if you are taking the example of infrastructure service, means networking, you don't have to worry, storage, you don't have to worry, server, virtualization, and operating system, you have to choose it. Sir, how to choose the operating system? This is the toughest question you are telling. You have to go into the cloud creation of machine. Okay. When you are creating the machine, there is an option. Whatever the operating system you want to choose, you have to change from here. At this point, it is telling you want to use the Debian Linux. You can click into this place and choose the operating system, whatever you want. CentOS, Debian, SUSE, Red Hat, Ubuntu, whatever you want, you can choose from here. Means, in short, I want to say operating system, you have to choose it from your choice. This has to be taken care by the provider itself. That is called infrastructure as a service. Are you agree with my point? Rest of the thing, we have to maintain it. We have to put our application, we have to put our data, we have to use it. That is a infrastructure as a service.
So runtime and middleware. What is
runtime is software. Means you have to use what you want to use it inside it. You have to choose that part.
Okay, inside the application, what we are using.
Tomorrow when I will create an application, when I will create a web-based application, then I will show that what exactly the
middleware and what is the tech?
Middleware means, let assume you want to run any of the Java project, right? You have a machine.
Okay.
JVM will be required, Java virtual machine, right?
Yeah.
The JDK will be required, JRE will be required, correct?
Yeah, so to support that.
Supporter, okay. Yeah. I have to connect with you, then Zoom is required, correct? That is a middleware between you and me.
Yeah, correct.
Right. So that type of softwares will be required. So we in running any of the application, okay, that definitely middleware things will be required. If I want to connect with you, I need a Zoom. Zoom is our middleware. right?
Yeah. So runtime is a software, correct?
Runtime is the software. Okay.
These terms I can't able to
I
understand.
will explain you everything. Okay. I can't make you the DevOps engineer in 2 hours. Practically not possible. Correct?
Yeah.
Right? Because you know what happens. Sometimes some students learn on the weekend workshop and tell that, sir, I given in the interview and I correct also. Possible, man. It happens. But if you will learn it for the next 2 months, 2.5 months, you will able to ask the 20 lakh package, 30 lakh package. That's really required. Agree? Yes or no?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, chalo, that is infrastructure service. Okay, now if middleware or runtime also will be taken care by cloud itself, that time we will call as a platform as a service. Okay, I will give the example, no worries. When everything has to be taken care by the provider itself, okay, means application is also there, data is also there, that time we will call it a software as a service. Let me give you in a simple example. Okay, it's tough. I will give you the simplest example. If you are taking unfurnished flat, that is called infrastructure service. Unfurnished flat, you can furnish as per your requirement. Agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, means virtual machine or Google Drive. This is a Google Drive, okay, where I am giving all my class recordings to everyone. Okay, this is a Google Drive. All the day recordings are there. Means this is the platform infra I am taking from the Google. This is my application, my data. Correct? So this is called infrastructure service, which I am using it from the Google Cloud, and I will provide you all the recordings of my classroom into the Google Drive. Okay, so in short, if you will come into this place, where is that? Yes, I'm taking the unfurnished thing from the provider, that is called infrastructure service, where we have to move our data into that. Recording is mine. Okay, I have to move my data into the infrastructure service. Virtual machine, I have to move my application, I have to move my middleware things into that place, that is called unfurnished flat. Are you okay for infrastructure service example? Keep it remember with unfurnished, remember with the virtual machine, remember with the Google Drive example. Real time, remember examples are also available. Okay. Second thing, platform as a service, where you have to build the thing. Okay, means it's a semi-furnished house you are taking from the provider. Semi-furnished means they are providing you the runtime and middleware based on your requirement. They are providing to you. That is called semi-furnished environment. They are providing means database or Google Docs. This is a Google Docs, right? In the Google Docs, what Google has did it, he installed Microsoft Office for us. Yes or no? In the Google Docs, Microsoft Office software has been installed for us so that I can bring my PPT and I can present in front of you. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Means they did some semi-furnishing for me, that is called platform as a service. Google Docs is a platform service where I can bring my own data, and I can use it. Okay, that is called platform as a service. Software as a service, everything is there done. Okay, you have to directly use it. Some SQL monitoring, or in the real time Gmail. In the Gmail, you just have to send everything, all the softwares, every configuration is done. You can directly use it. That is called Gmail service. That is called software service, means you are using as a software. Facebook, Instagram, you are using the Facebook or Instagram software, right? You are not developing anything. You are just creating your account and you are using it. That is called software service. You are using it. Are you agree with my point? Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
That is called service models. Okay. In the cloud, two things are there. Okay. What are two things? Here is that deployment model and service model. We will discuss in a very deep. No need to worry at all. Okay. Chalo, let's go more deeper into it. Guys, tomorrow is a practical day. We will do this practical so that you will understand very easily. Okay. With the practical approach. Okay. Yeah. Nowadays, one more new concept is coming. Serverless. Have you aware about that part? Have you heard it? It is also available into the cloud computing. What is serverless? What is serverless?
A virtual server running in a cloud environment.
That is also virtual machine is also doing the same thing. But we are calling it the infrastructure service. Why it's a server?
On-prem services a platform.
No.
You don't need to maintain.
No need to.
We don't need to manage our VMs operating systems like this, and configuration
Kind
also.
of correct. Kind of correct. When I was giving this example, unfurnished, semi-furnished, PG, here I'm telling hotel, directly use it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it, just pay the rent and use it. Correct? You don't have to worry for the size, you don't have to worry for the food and all these things, everything. That is called serverless. In the technical terms, you don't have to worry about CPU, memory, virtual machine, operating system, anything. All the things ready-made, you can use it. That is called serverless. You don't have to worry if today you have 100 GB of storage. Tomorrow you need 200 GB of storage. You don't have to tell also, he will increase it automatically. The physical presence of software, physical presence of hardware or virtualization is also not required. That is called serverless. You don't have to worry that my data is available in India or UK. It will take care by the cloud provider itself. You don't have to worry. That is called serverless concept. Got it? Yes. No.
Yes.
Okay. Cool. We will discuss this also. Okay. Till now, to everyone aware about it. Okay. If you will know this much, you will able to ask 5 to 10 lakh package or 15 lakh package. Correct? Yes or no? If you read, if you learn all these things, 10, 15, so you will get it. But if you want 25 lakh package, 40 lakh package, 60 lakh package, you have to learn something different. Yes or no? Something extra.
Yeah.
Are you agree?
Yes.
Don't think that, sir, I'm a fresher. How can I get 20 lakh package? Freshers are getting 4 crore packages also. Read the newspapers. Guys, are you agree? Means something is different in them. They are getting. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
10-year experience person can also be in 10 lakh package. Fresher with 10-month experience can also be into 10 lakh package. Possible. If you know the technology, you can achieve the things. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. Right.
Right. So what you have to learn, if you want to be a extraordinary or something in a good package, you have to be aware about this part. Infrastructure service, though, most of the people are aware about it. Till operating system, it's maintained by the cloud. That is fine. CAAS. What is CAAS?
Container as a service.
Yes, correct. Container as a service. This is the time in 22, 23 or the future is this. Example for the container as a service, please.
Docker.
Docker.
Docker, Kubernetes.
Docker and Kubernetes. Docker will create the containers. Kubernetes will manage the containers. This type of services, if you know, yes, that's the future. Netflix, how many containers are there? Can anyone random guess?
More than million, I think.
Millions of containers every day are running. I don't go with the theory. Prove it. Okay, sir, can you prove it? Yes, Netflix, number of containers. I'm putting into the Google. 500,000 of containers per day are possible or running into the Kubernetes. Okay, into the Netflix company, into the Kubernetes. Yes. So function cloud container as a service is also the future. What is function as a service? FAAS. Sorry, I have to ask the question with you. I already given the answer. Function as a service. What is this?
Netflix, as you said, YouTube.
That is a container as a service. Guys, upgrade yourself. Function as a service. What is
Yeah,
that?
right.
Lambda, right? Lambdas.
Correct. What else?
Lambda and
auto scaling.
Auto scaling. Yeah, kind of correct answer. Yes. What else? Means you have to do the configurations. Okay. If you will do the configurations, things are happening. That is called function as a service. Lambda or any of the place wherever you are doing the configuration, that is called function as a service. If you know how to use the service with your requirement, that is called configurations. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If you will pay the rent to the cloud provider, you will not get a salary. Right? Let's assume there is a budget of $100 from the client. And if you are paying $80 to the cloud, $20 will be in your pocket. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
If client has a $100 budget, use the open source tool, invest $20 into the open source tool and $80 in your pocket. Which is better option?
2080.
$80 in the pocket. Use the open source tool, free available into the market. Yes or no? Every company, every client provider is doing the same thing.
Right.
So which is better? Cloud is okay, but you have to learn the open source tool like infrastructure as a management tool. Terraform, Ansible can able to achieve this. Lambda is also able to do it, but that is a cloud service. Open source service is also available into the market. If you know that much, well and good, you will able to ask 25-30 based on your experience. Also, you can move into that part. Okay. Tomorrow I will create an example. Okay, so that I will explain you this way. Not today. Mute yourself, mute yourself, mute yourself. Okay, I have to explain you so many theory about the software as a service, platform as a service. Mute yourself, mute yourself. Hardware, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service. I have to teach you. And guys, why I'm encouraging you to learn AWS? Because the market of AWS is very high as compared to other cloud provider, and already people has been moved, already companies has been migrated their services into the AWS. That's why the AWS is very popular tool available into the market. Google Cloud, the experiments or adoption rate is high. Okay, in the Google Cloud, experiments or adoption is high. So in future, the Google Cloud will also come into the big list. So AWS and Google Cloud are the most popular tools which you have to learn. Azure is also good. Okay, very good, no doubt at all. But if you have to start the thing which is very popular, use that where a lot of openings are there. If you are from the .NET background, if you want to stuck only with the Microsoft only, then you can move into the Azure. But I don't want you to stuck into the same only one domain. Python is very important. Java is very important. JavaScript, AI, machine learning, all the things are happening into AWS and Google Cloud. Azure is only focusing on the .NET project. .NET is outdated. Agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Guys, are you agree?
Yes.
Anyone want to defense here? Anyone want to defense with me? Right? No need to go for the Azure because Microsoft is only adopting the Microsoft technology. Okay. AWS, AI, machine learning, open source tools are the future. That's why AWS and Google Clouds are more. Okay. Please be open for the learning always. Okay. This is just a comparison in the AWS. Whatever the services are available, it's available in Azure. If you know AWS, yes, you can work in Azure also. If you know Azure, if you know AWS, you can work into the Google Cloud. If you know Google Cloud, you can work into the Azure and AWS anywhere. Only the names are different. Okay, 90% functionalities are same. If you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. Agree? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right. Cool. And if you will learn with us, okay, definitely we can teach you the things. I will not tell you that I will teach only AWS or Google. I will teach you the things which is available in all the cloud. You can be into, you can learn, or you can perform the activity. One time around 5 years back, I get a Oracle cloud project. Okay. That time I was also a little bit worried that I don't know anything about the Oracle cloud or Alibaba cloud. Okay. So what I did, no need to worry. Okay. My manager, my senior told that no need to worry. Things are very same into the Alibaba cloud. When I open it, I observe that it's very same. There is no difference at all. Okay. So if you will know any of the cloud, you can work in Alibaba, Oracle, or any of the cloud. Things are very same because virtual machine will be everywhere, storage will be everywhere, cloud will be everywhere, VPC will be everywhere, database will be everywhere, and all are running on the Linux environment. If you know the Linux, you are able to work in any of the cloud. Make sense? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. And this is the big level comparison. We will discuss in a brief, but because I can't explain you everything in the today's session. Okay. Now I want you to feel free to ask any of the question, whatever you have. Are you able to understand whatever I was trying to deliver?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yeah.
My speed was fine. I was not very fast.
Yeah, everything was good, sir.
Okay, cool. Now guys, one by one, we can talk. Okay, definitely the talking is required. Okay, I want you to talk with you. Okay, I'm just opening something. Where it is, just give me a second. Chalo, I want to say one more thing. If you will try to learn the things by own, okay, you will be matched up yourself. Okay, or you will be matched up in this. but you have to go into the order. You have to learn the things by simple proper order. Then only you will able to achieve it. Otherwise, you will mash up the things. You don't know where you have to learn, what you have to learn, how much you have to learn, how you will clear your doubts. That's a very biggest problem. Okay. Now I want you to raise your hand, switch on the camera, and talk with me, please, because this is the interactive sessions. Lata Khan, yes, switch on the camera, please.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yeah, Lata, go ahead. Any question
So
you have?
yeah. So
Your
what my
name,
question is,
your
yeah,
name,
Lata
you are a
Khan, sir.
fresher, experience. What is the
Sure,
expectation?
sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
So basically, myself, Latakan Sharma, I'm from Bihar, and basically, I have 3 years of experience, which I worked on front end on React and also 2 years on Salesforce.
Okay. Means you are
So
a kind of
right
developer,
now,
right? You are a kind of developer, right?
yes,
Okay. Go
yes,
ahead.
yes. So basically, right now I am switching my career to DevOps. So there are many things I have gone through. I have structured it in a way that how the infra is created, how we are configuring
Okay.
under the infra, like whatever requirements are there related to development part
Okay.
or the application requirement.
Okay.
Then how we go with the pipelines and
Okay.
then monitoring part. So that's how.
Lata Khan, you are doing by own.
Yeah, I'm doing by my
It will
own.
take 2 to 5 years, 10 years time, okay, to achieve all these things. And if you go
Ye-
into some wrong direction, who will come to bring you back?
Yeah,
So
that's what.
use
That's
my
what. That's
experience.
what.
Use my experience. I have around 14 years of experience. Okay, I will guide you.
Thanks very much. But being frank and open, if I'll say, like last year, I have resigned my company, and because
Okay.
of some personal reason, I had to resign. I met to an accident because of that. So
Okay.
then, in this period of time, I thought of learning some new skills, so which
You
will
have,
help me out and also recover my this gap.
see,
Being frank,
you are a developer. Okay.
yeah,
You are a developer. You can easily come into this. No need to worry at all. You just have to understand the
understood.
tools. Okay.
Yeah,
And whatever is your current package, ask the double package from the next month. Okay. And
understood.
how much is your gap?
I would say 1 year gap is there. From
It's
last year
little,
August, I have resigned the company.
okay. 1 year is little bit high for me, but I will give you 6 month
Yeah.
training certificate. Okay. So, and we will get it verified. Training certificate.
So
Okay. That you
I
have learned
understand.
with us, so that if someone will call us to verify it, we will get it verified as well.
So it's really helpful. And
And
but
6 months you
the
have to defense
biggest,
it. And 6 months you have to defense it. Okay. Make some small story.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the 6 months is basically I was in the hospital for like four and a half
If you
months.
have
So
document,
I understand.
no one will ask anything. Okay.
Yeah, right, right. I
And
have
if you
that.
have a knowledge, nothing matters. Okay. No need to worry
Understood.
at all. Knowledge always matters.
So right now my scenario is to I have gone through IAC also, which is Terraform, Ansible, and also gone
Have you
through the
did the
Dockers.
practical? Have you did the practical?
This is where I am lacking. I did the
See,
practicals, but
theory
it
so
was very much
everyone
doubts.
knows. Okay. This theory is happening
Not theory.
in the third year of the college also, right? But if
Right,
you're
right,
not doing
right.
the practical, if you're not connecting with the project, if you're not asking your questions, if you're not preparing for the interview questions, if you're not playing the quiz, it's nothing, right? It's again on the
Right,
zero
right,
level only.
right. Right. So basically, I am doing the practical, but because in between I am not that much experienced, I am getting doubts. I am searching on a Google itself, like how to get the idea of that. So that's what is
Come
stucking.
into
That's where.
come into this my group. Okay. Feel free to ask the questions. Okay. And
Yeah,
definitely me or like me, so many members are there who will help you out.
yeah, sure. I'm really right now. Really, it's a good opportunity for me to get into and connect with you and got the idea about this. But my biggest concern is right now I am already lacking with the time. Don't mistake me. You are much more
I
experienced
agree.
than
I
me.
agree.
You can give me
I
some
agree.
very nice idea about
I
that.
agree. See, but do you want to give 20 interviews or you want to give 2 interviews and get it correct? In 20
Yeah,
interviews,
that's
if you will give, see, if you will give 20 to 40 interviews, someone will definitely give a job to you. Okay. But
right,
give
right,
it 2 to 5 interviews and ask the double package. Which option you
right.
want to choose?
This is 2 to 5. Everyone
Right.
was that only. This is the
Right.
simplest way.
Because see, you are feel free to give 40 interviews, you will get it.
Right.
You can write in the Naukri, good, copy someone good resume, change the name, and you will get lot of calls. but how you will handle it. If you will go into the company, how you will handle it. If you have the real knowledge, you will able to survive it.
Exactly.
Right? And
Right.
if your interviews are going good, you will ask the good package. In the second round only,
Right.
you will get to know that my interviews was very good. I can increase my package to 5 lakh, right?
Right.
This confidence will
Right.
come if you have a knowledge.
Yeah, right. So that's what I really want.
I want you to go to my YouTube channel. Okay. In my YouTube
Sure.
channel, there are so many playlists. Or no need to directly go to my website only. In the website, everything will be available. Okay. This is
Okay.
success story. Okay, guys, everyone, go to my website. In the success stories, click on this, and you will see all the videos from all the batch, 29 batch, 30 batch, 27, 26, all the batch. None of the institute will provide the last day of the training video, right? Everyone will provide the day one video in the internet. I'm providing the last day videos also into the internet because I want to show that how genuine we are. What my students are telling after learning this thing. It's not yesterday, right? It's a very 1 year old, 2 year old videos. Just check it. Every batch, 22 batch, 23 batch. After the COVID, when we came completely online, we are started putting the videos in the YouTube as well. So I want you to check the things. You will see, just see the 23, 22 videos, which is 1.5 year old. Okay. And you will get to know that what happened to my 1 year back student, how much they plays into the classroom itself.
Got it. Okay.
Everything very transparent. Come to my website, redirect everywhere.
Understood. So one more question is there is because you are providing a very good service right now. So so it's open question, like should I have to pay something so I can join your live?
Obviously it's a paid course. Okay. And it's what exactly it is. We are going to teach you so many things. Okay. And no one will spend 3 months time free of cost, right? Because see, if you are looking someone's experienced person service, definitely something will be there for sure. And I don't want to hide anything. I want to keep it very transparent. Let me open that. Okay. What all things you will learn from us? That's really important. Okay. You will learn, okay, all these things from us. If you will learn AWS from any of the place, guys, listen everyone. If you will learn the AWS from anywhere, minimum they will charge 10,000 rupees, right? Without project, without anything, directly start with the AWS service. The first day they will create an account and they will give the AWS knowledge to you, right? And they will charge you 10,000. If you will learn some other cloud, because in the market, multi-cloud opportunities are very high, right? Not single cloud. So if you will learn any of the Azure or Google Cloud, minimum 5 to 8,000 or 10,000 rupees you have to pay, right? Everyone agree? Guys, yes or no, please?
Yeah.
If you will learn the DevOps tools with CI/CD, definitely in the DevOps tools, they will charge you 12 to 15,000 rupees. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no, everyone, please? It's not only for Lata, right? Everyone.
Yes.
Right? Yes. They will not give the project. If you will learn the DevOps from somewhere, if you will learn the AWS from somewhere, they will tell that we will give you the AWS project. Someone will tell, I will give you the DevOps project. Why should we give the combined project to you? No one will provide. You have to go to the market. Again, you have to search the project. I will give you the 3 projects and 30 practicals as well. What I will give it to you, everything is mentioned into this Excel sheet. Okay. You can go into, I am giving you the link of this into the chat also. Feel free to look at everything. Okay. This all things you will get it from me. Okay. Plus, as Latakan show that he has a gap, right? So I can give you some training certificate also. Okay. Which if you will go to the market, definitely they will charge you. Okay. And they will not verify that. We will verify that certificate also for you. Mock interviews. None of the people will take the mock interviews. We will take your mock interviews. How much you are prepared, right? If you will see the current batch, okay, which is running. If you will see here, mock interviews videos are also here, mock interviews. Okay. And I'm 100% sure whatever the students 3 mock interviews happen till now in the current batch. Okay. Anubhav preparing, okay, preparing well. Varsha good as a support engineer. Okay. And okay, moving towards to the AWS, Ujjwal already get offer also. 25th August, I told that he already get an offer. Okay. He already get offer. I can show that also in the screen. Okay. This is my WhatsApp. I'm just searching Ujjwal, UJWL. Okay, Ujjwal Patil. Okay, he's my batch 31 student. He's sending the resume. Okay, everything. Every day he's sending the resume, means he's giving the mock interviews, right? Yes or no? Unnecessary, so no one will send a resume. Okay, Here, sir, I have cleared one round of the web logic domain. Now second round face to face. They are asking anything. Buddy, you have access for the 30. Looks good, looks good. Let me tell you. Where is the offer he is informing? One good news I will give you to at 2 o'clock. Okay. When he messaged 17/8. Okay. Around 1 month back, he messaged 15 days back, he messaged, right? Nice, waiting. Make group excited. Send a message into the group. Sir, profile is not related to, can I post in the group? Senior analyst delivery, he got a job. That's it. Right? That matters, right? It's always experience or learning. If you will not judge yourself, if you will not give the mock interview, always you will think that I'm giving a correct answers. I'm the king, right? If you will give the answer to me or my team, they will let you know that no, this is not the correct answer. This is 20% of the correct answer. 80% is still pending. You have to prepare more. This is happening everywhere in my group. See, Vinay looks good, already offered. Okay, Tejaswani, prepare more technical things. Looks good for the interview. We are maintaining all these things in our sheets. Okay, so we are taking the mock interviews. We are giving that all things. So here you will not get any of the mock interviews from anywhere, right? Extra topics. So no one will teach you the extra. Whatever has been written first, they will complete that. That's also matters. Right? We will complete that. We will teach you the extra topics as well. Resume making, interview preparation, everything we will take care. We will take care of your Naukri profile creation also, because I can provide you 10 to 15 referrals, right? But in the Naukri, 10 calls per day you will get it. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Everyone, others.
Yes.
Right? From the Naukri, you will get lot of calls. You have to disable your profile if you will optimize properly. I will help you out that how to create a good resume, how to upload into the Naukri. I will provide you the referrals. Okay, how we are providing the referrals? Every referrals you can see here in our classroom. Okay, batch 31. In this here, you can see a CGI referral. Okay, 24 August, we provided a referral for CGI from the employee. Just send an email to him. These are the openings available. Okay, so my students are applying for these all roles. Okay, if you will see here, Capgemini HR. Okay, on 24 August, we told that 3 to 7 year experience, AWS and DevOps engineer role is required. This is the HR, this is the mobile number, this is his HR email ID, his manager email ID also we will provide it. Okay, send a mail with all these details, definitely you will get a call. And I told that on 29 August, 2 p.m. share the mail before that. Because on 29 August, we will talk with the HR, how many resume you get from us. Okay, this is my student, give a call to him. Why I told before 2 p.m. because after this time we will talk with the HR that how did you get the resume? This is my student. He is good. Give the call, please. Right. So these are things we have to do it. So we are providing this all things to you. Okay. Where it is. Sorry. Let me close unnecessary things. Okay. So many things are open. Yeah. Okay. And after that, we are providing the referrals for any of the company. And if you will go to any of the institute, they will charge 60 to 70,000 rupees for sure. Okay. And we are providing in 25,000 with the 2 batches. You will not get one batch. Lata, mute yourself. You will not get one batch. You will get 2 batches. You can come to my current batch from tomorrow itself. You can see in middle everything. Okay. And the next batch is completely free for you. Got it? Guys, you got my point?
Yes.
Okay. What I want to say in short, if you will go here, you will get this all things. And where is the image? Because it's easy to explain with the image. Okay. Yeah. Okay. At this point, from tomorrow onwards, we are starting the module 5. We are starting the Docker and Kubernetes. You can start learning this thing. Okay. You will able to understand everything. No need to worry. Okay. And you will start giving the interviews also. In the next batch, whenever this batch will get complete, you will be landed into the another batch also free of cost. You don't have to worry for that part. Means we will provide you 2 batch access. Okay. How you can track it, which all things has been completed. This is the syllabus. Whatever things are completed, color in green, it has been completed. Okay. And whatever the things are pending, we have to learn and we have to complete it. Got it, everyone?
Yep.
Okay, very transparently we are maintaining here. Tomorrow you will see whatever we will learn about the virtual machine and Docker, and we will make it green. Every day we are just following this. That's why we are maintaining our syllabus into the Excel sheet.
So Vikas, are you going to cover Google Cloud as well?
Yes,
GCP?
we will teach you the Google Cloud.
Okay, so AWS, GCP, and DevOps.
DevOps,
yeah.
Yes. Okay. Means if you will go to the website, you will see the syllabus very transparently. Okay, homepage. Because if you will see here, here. Okay, we will start our journey with the DevOps Foundation. 3 days I need it for make you what we can say make your DevOps Foundation. 2 days, not 2 days, 1 week I need for the Linux Foundation. After that, 1 or 2 weeks I will teach you AWS. 2 weeks I will teach you the Git, Jenkins, and Docker. Git, Jenkins, or GitHub. 2 weeks I will teach you Docker and Kubernetes. 1.5 week I will teach you Linux, Ansible, and Terraform. 1 or 2 days I will teach you the Prometheus. 2 days or 3 days I will teach you the Bash or Shell script, Python. Okay, and then 3 days for the project, and 3 days, and in between every alternate day or every week, twice in a month or thrice in a week, or every week, every Wednesday 9 p.m. we are taking the mock interviews from the students as well.
So this is gonna be weekend batch or daily regular batches?
Batch, Monday to Friday. Weekend batch, the syllabus is very weak. It will take for 6 months to complete it. Okay.
So what would be the timing? Actually, I have a shift like 12:30 to 9:30.
It's a 8 a.m. IST. Okay.
Okay, then fine.
For the learning. Okay, because by morning time everyone will be available for sure. Okay, because everyone will start the day at 9 or 10 minimum, right?
Right.
Or if you will be into the morning, definitely you will learn a lot.
Yeah, that would be good timing for me. Actually, I have a shift to 12:30.
You can track everything from my website. Here is the syllabus, direct link to join. Or if you want to see some videos of which has been started 1 month back, you are feel free to see all the videos, day 1, day 2, 3. Even on my website also you will come down. Okay, here is the day 1 video, check it. Here is the day 2 video, day 3 video, which has been created on 1 month ago. Okay, and you will meet all these students in the tomorrow 8 a.m. Not tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Monday 8 a.m. is the batch. Okay, because it's a Monday to Friday batch.
So it's a 45 days course, right?
Not 45 days, 2.5 months. Okay?
2.5 months.
55 classes will happen based on this syllabus. Okay, 51 some resume making class or some all these things. 55 classes will be required for me.
Okay, so daily 1 hour.
Daily 1.5 hour.
1.5 hour. Okay.
Yeah, we will play the quiz so that I can make you to the certification level. I will give you the theory. I will teach you the practicals as well. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Other person, please feel free to ask any question, guys. We are always open for any question. Switch on the camera, ask any question, whatever you have in your mind. And if you want to talk with me one-to-one, one second. If you want to talk with me one-to-one, okay, this is my number. If you want to talk with the HR, this is the Shikha's number. Okay, you can talk with the HR as well. Anytime. Our numbers are very transparently available on our website as well. Okay, because I am the person who is talking with my students as well. Yeah, go ahead, Gautam.
Yeah.
Switch on the camera, please. Switch on the camera. It will be good.
Yeah, that's fine. 1 second.
Because the interaction will be more.
Yeah, it's okay.
Correct. Yeah. Next person, please be ready. Yeah, Gautam. Go ahead.
Saying right now it is visible, right?
Yeah, we are able to see you.
Yeah, actually, like I'm into like a medical regulatory technology. Okay, I'm a M.Pharm student, so I'm trying to like learn these things. It should be like fine, right? If you have a like a
how much is your
knowledge,
experience?
technology
How much is your
knowledge.
experience in the medical?
3.5 years. 3 years.
Do you want to come into the IT? You decided?
Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah, I'm
Not
actually
trying.
visiting.
You first decide that I want to come into the IT. I want to learn into the cloud. Okay.
No, I'm also like in Accenture only now. Also, it is like
Then
IT
why you
based.
are worried? Then why you are worried?
Yeah,
You
it's
are
like
already in
operational
IT.
work.
That's okay, man. I will teach you everything. Okay. Accenture.
Yeah.
No need to worry at all. You are already into the IT. Okay.
Yeah.
Learn all these things. Whatever is your domain, switch it. Simple. And very
The
easily.
domain wise, it is different, right? That's my question.
No
Yeah.
need to worry. Tomorrow you may get a banking domain. Any domain you can get it. Okay. Domain doesn't matter. Technology is always same. Okay.
Okay.
And you are
And
already in
then-
IT, so no need to worry at all. Okay.
Fine. Thanks, Prakash. Yeah.
Until unless you will tell that you are a civil engineer, mechanical engineer, medical
No,
engineer,
that's right.
people will get to know. If you will not tell, how you will get? If you will tell Accenture, people will say that you
Yeah.
are in IT only.
Yeah, but the graduate is like a medical side, right? Master degree. That is
knowledge matters. Okay, degree
Okay.
required and knowledge matters.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Yeah.
Don't
Thanks.
explain to everyone that I am from the medical domain. Okay, no need to.
Okay.
If you are from
Fine.
civil, guys, anyone from civil or mechanical, don't say.
Okay.
If you are already in IT, you want to come into the IT, you are welcome.
Fine.
That's the beauty of IT.
Then it should be fine, I believe. Yeah.
What else? Other person, please. Other, please. Any question? Guys, take the opportunity. Ask the question. Silent never helps. Feel free to ask any question. You will not get this type of open platform to ask the questions. Yeah, Karthik, go ahead.
So, like,
switch on the camera, switch on
yeah,
the camera. It will be good. It will be helpful.
yeah.
If someone who don't want to switch on the camera, that is also fine. But yeah, yes.
Actually, even I'm also into IT field. I'm having 8+ years of experience.
fine.
I have knowledge on all this, but it will be like around 20 to 30%. I was working as a cloud support. Like we will only support to the applications. I mean, support to the servers like IAS level.
I agree.
So just want to move complete cloud and DevOps
For
side.
you is a golden opportunity. Okay, you have a basic awareness. Okay,
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah.
Your communication is good. You are looking confident person.
Yeah.
You are feel free to ask double your package. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Just want to
learn
know,
the thing. Just learn the thing.
like any Azure topics will be covered, like
No.
to be touched.
Officially, I will not.
Yeah.
Okay, because
Yeah.
I can't say that everything yes, right? I have to, because officially I will not touch Azure. But
Okay.
if required, you can discuss basics of little bit of things of Azure as well. Okay.
Yeah, just supposed to know like what is the flavor, like how we can handle everything,
I
like
can
services,
compare.
how
If
to
I will
type.
compare
Yeah.
it, you will get the answer. No need to
Yeah,
worry.
yeah, that
Okay?
will be enough. That
But
will be enough.
yeah,
Yes.
see, after learning AWS or GCP, if you will create a AWS Azure account, you can compare it. That is also fine. If I will
Okay.
teach you the driving, you can sit in any of the car, na? You can't say that,
Yes.
sir, can you teach with Honda City also? No, sir, I have a Ascent, teach with Ascent also. Not
Yeah.
required, man. If you know driving, you can sit in any of the car. Little
Yeah.
bit you will stuck. For 1 week, you will feel little bit uncomfortable. After that, you will feel that, yeah, I know everything.
Yeah, exactly. As I seen, like in market demanding will be AWS and Azure,
Demand,
not
see,
GSP will be
see,
third
GCP,
place actually. Yeah.
no. If you are talking about Kubernetes, AI, machine learning, GCP is more demanding than this.
Okay. Okay. Into come into DevOps side. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you. I can go ahead. VVV, who is this VVV? I have a career gap, had work experience in operation. No need to worry about the gap. Okay, if you have a knowledge, make some story and go for the job. You will get rejected with 1 or 2 companies. No need to worry. Okay, give the interviews. If you have a knowledge, all the things will get hidden. Fine. Yep. Guys, if you want to silently ask the question without changing the name, that is also fine, please. But ask the question, okay? Because see, I observe that this person has changed the name. I'm okay. No worries. Okay. I'm okay with all these things as well. Get your doubt clear first. That's more important. Any open question? Anything else? Or can we wind up? Yeah, Karthik.
One more question.
Right.
So, like, if any chance, like, if we miss class, like, recording will be available, right? So,
Obviously, I will give you the access for the drive. Okay.
Okay.
It will be definitely available for a lifelong. Okay. But I can't take the guarantee because some 5 years back, some student will come back, sir, my email ID has been hacked. Can you give me access again? Lot of things will happen.
We don't need that much long. It might be enough, like 1 week, at least completion of course will be enough. Like,
1 year,
that's it.
I will return in 1 year. That 1 year I will take care if anything goes wrong. Okay. See, whatever 24/7 community support, WhatsApp support, you will get it. Lifetime access means we will provide into the Google Drive, but 1 year I will take care. Okay. If anything goes happen into 1 year, you are feel free to message me. I will provide you the access. Okay. Because I am maintaining this all recordings in multiple places. No need to worry for that. Okay.
Because like support field will be always 24/7. So we
That's
work in morning, night.
That's why we are providing 2 batches.
Yeah.
We know the problem. My students are telling that, sir, why I want to come in 1 batch? No, if you miss the classes, you can come to my next batch also. No need to worry. Okay. So all session will be live interactive like this only. I will be never switch on my camera. I will always with the camera. Okay. Tips and tricks. Definitely, we will discuss the thing. So all the tips and tricks, whatever is required, I will provide it to you. Training certificate, interview making, prepare, resume making, mock interviews, I will take care of that.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. That's it from my side.
Yep. Guys, some students are still asking the fees. Let me go to that place again. Where is that PPT? Yeah, go ahead, guys. Anyone else? Any other question? Feel free. No need to worry at all. Please. Feel free to ask the question if you have anything in your mind. You will get all these things. Okay. If you will learn with me, it's already mentioned into the syllabus and you will get all these things for the 2 batches, not 1 batch. We will provide you directly 2 batches access. Go ahead, guys. Feel free to ask any question, whatever you have. If not, can we wind up? Yeah, it's 25K. Okay. For the 2 batches, you will learn all these things. From Monday itself, you can come into the class anytime. Okay. This is the link. You can come to my website, click on the syllabus and current batch. Okay. In the top only, there is a link here, 8 AM IST batch. You can click here, fill this form and join from Monday itself. Okay. Cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Yep. Thank you.
Yep. Anyone here? Anyone want to talk with me one-to-one? Feel free to message me or call me. My number is already in the website, Vikas and Shikha. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. And tomorrow again, same timing. Okay. For the Linux, we will learn the Linux. Okay. Yeah. And
So-
bring your friends, guys. If you want, bring your friends also. It will be good. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Go ahead. Someone is asking the question. Go ahead.
I think tomorrow I might not be available. So do we get a recording session?
We don't want to provide the recording session. Okay.
Because
it's interactive. It's interactive. See, on the YouTube, if you will put in the 5 minutes, student will say that, yeah, I watch everything.
yeah, exactly. Because tomorrow we have many functions here to attend.
Okay.
Unfortunately, it was
You
completed.
can message to Shikha. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
She will provide you somewhere. Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
And
Bye-bye.
PPT I will upload into the drive. Just message me on WhatsApp. I will give you the PPT drive link. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.